So
Forget them.
damn this. Yeah,
You might have to
I got it.
We already live. We live, baby. We live in here. What up? What up, shop fam? What up? I gotta find the music real fast though.
All right. Well, hey, my bad, guys. We was back there trading. You already know what it is. This is the Trader Show first and foremost. Good morning, YouTube. Welcome back to the Trader Shop with me. And of course, I got my man Jay Seals in the building. What's going on, brother?
What's going on, everybody? Michelle,
he really can't talk right now. He in a trade. Y'all know how Justin get when he in a trade. Y'all been here long enough. Y'all know how he get. I'd like to say thank you guys so much for helping us reach another milestone in the shop. We just got to another 100 subscriber point, another 100 subscribers. We got to 1,400 subscribers last night. Justin's video is at like 16,000 views. Like, the shop is absolutely doing phenomenal in regards to growth. And we owe that all to you guys for continuing to tip the barbers, aka hit the like and subscribe button, turning those notification bells on and getting notified when we go live or put out videos. That being said, this morning was CPI. Yesterday was PPI, right? Like, everything is everything, right? That means that all of the news is finally out. We finally have the news in our grasp, right? Where we're like, all right, we got everything we need to know, right? Now what is the market going to do? The market absolutely rocket ship. If you look at the news, the CPI came down about 0.1% month over month. I believe the core CPI stayed the same, right? And then retail sales came down tremendously, which is a sign that the economy is kind of slowing down a bit. Now, I don't think it matters. I think the market is going to go up regardless, right? Until it's done buying, and then we're going to dump, right? Like, I think that's going to happen. But for now, it gave the market another reason for the market to pump. So before we get into the pre-market plan, which we didn't write because we don't write any on CPI or PPI day, but before we get into our thoughts on the market, I would just like to, do my initial, clear the room, let you guys know that, hey, this is a show, but it's also a business. So if there's a way you want to support the business, we have three, right? The first one we talked about, tipping the barber, going back and watching those videos. When you get to those videos, however, there's a lot of links down in the description below, right? If you read the descriptions, if you're already trading prop firms, there's links to Apex, Take Profit, My Funded Futures, Top Step, right? Everything that you already trade, we have links to those. If you want to help out the channel, make sure you're using those links. We get a kickback from those, and it helps us get all of this cool studio equipment that I got. Like, I take all the money from Justin, and I just go buy studio equipment, right? So second way to support the channel, right? If you're looking to support the channel, you can join the Discord, right? The Discord is $15 a week. It is $40 per month, right? And for those of you that are looking for a strong community, you're looking for traders to help educate you along your journey, then you can consider joining our Discord. Like I said, it's $15 a week. It's $40 per month, right? And we will be going up on the Discord later in the future. But if you get in now, you can lock in at that price. And then finally, man, just show up, right? Drop something in the comments. Let us know you here. Let us know about your trading day. We love to talk about trading, but we also keep a barbershop feel in here, and we keep it super, super cool in here. So right now, I believe Justin is in a short. So I'll go over pretty much my thoughts right now. I'm looking at this market really trying to push through this area. And they just continue to add liquidity here.
I know my hands are on the trigger.
I think we're going to come down. I think we're going to come down. Yeah, the market is really trying to push here, but
yeah, it's trying to push above 500.
The sellers continue to try to defend 500. So I think if the sellers can defend 500, we'll continue to come back down. But I mean, they keep adding more liquidity at this level. It's super heavy. So buy and hold. I want to know. Oh, there he is. Yeah, I was just about to ask Mr. Pot Scrapers. I would really like to know your thoughts on the market yesterday, Mr. Bear, Mr. I am the indicator, Mr. Hey, just listen to me, bro. It's all good. Don't long the market. By the way, we did take longs yesterday. I did finish off that Apex account. I actually beat it in 2 days, right? So I finished that account longing the market, right? It was a really killer day yesterday. Damn, they are really trying to push through this level.
Yeah, this 500 level is make or break for me. If you get above it, I'm out this trade.
They are really trying to push up here.
I'm hoping we don't. I need to flush to the low, but I know we could bounce here just looking at the candlesticks in the area that we're at. So it's cautiously.
I don't know. I think we're gonna push down.
Okay, here we go. We're coming down.
Yeah, I was about to say, I think we're gonna push down. All of that liquidity we just tried to put. Oh God. Yeah, I will not be shorting this market today. Oh God. Like they came back here we with a vengeance.
Yeah. All right, so they're trying.
Let's get into my thoughts on the NASDAQ, and then I'm gonna talk my shit to Mr. Pie Scrapers again. So if we're looking at this from the 4-hour standpoint, like I told you guys yesterday, the reason why I was so convicted in the longs is because I'm watching the daily, I'm watching the weekly, and we haven't put a red day in this month, right? Like the daily has been green entire month of April, right? I mean, if you want to count May 8th, which is the doji candle, as a red day, sure, go ahead, but I don't. Yeah, this thing's coming. I'm not fucking sure this part. I can't do it. My soul won't let me do it. Anyway, what we did was we broke above this high this morning with that CPI candle at 519, right? And what we're seeing is more buying coming into the market, right? So this is one of those days that I'm going to caution you. You can do whatever you want, but I'm going to caution you, right? Here's my caution to everybody that's listening right now.
Yep,
I know the market is high. I know the market has put in an aggressive candle. And I also know we're at a premium and we're at supply. But I'm going to caution you to be very careful shorting this market today. And the reason why is because the entire Mag 7 is green. Remember I've told you guys before, Justin and I have spoken about this before, is we really hate when they're all on different pages. But when they all get on the same page, right? I'm not saying you can't short the market. I'm saying to cautiously be looking to short the market if you're going to short the market today, right? Me personally, if we're in supply, which we are right now, I'm going to wait for one more sweep, right? Because we did kind of change character here, but I'm going to see if we sweep one more time, and then I'm going to be looking to short up in this area between 480 and 566, and then between 612 and all-time highs. I would much rather look to get long if more structure is built, right? I would really love 416. I don't know if we come back there today. It looks like we're building structure here to go higher, right? If you look at the 15-minute, we're pulling back into 50% of this previous candle, and it looks like we're trying to build structure to go higher, right? So therefore, I'm just kind of hands off right now. I don't know what we're gonna bring. I think I might just wait until like the 950 macro or something like that. But as long as we're trading above the previous day high, right, and we're not pulling back into it, it's gonna be bullish for a while, right? So the one thing we talked about in the Discord this morning is we talked about this consolidation in the overnight session, right, being a very bullish sign, right? I talked about, hey, if we can't break below this low at 394, we're just gonna go higher, right? And I ended up paper trading this at 405. I took like 0 drawdown, and we caught the entire move. I think one of our Discord members killed it on his 250K account. But the thesis was just, hey, we're consolidating. We're not going higher. We're not going lower, right? We're consolidating at a high. Yeah, we're at a premium, but what's stopping us from going lower is this low right here. So we ended up pushing up, right? And now we're aggressively pushing back up off the 15-minute. And that's one reason why I'm just like, I really want to get short in this area. The area is really nice, but it's just not like this. This just feels like one of those days where everybody's going to be looking to get short, and the market's just going to continue to drive higher and higher and higher and higher. And every time you look to get short, it's just going to go higher and higher and higher. It's almost like a short squeeze all day, right? And if that's the case, if the target is all-time highs, then I'm just going to look to get involved on some type of pullback, right? Like I'm no longer interested in trying to fight this trend, right? Even though we're at premium, even though we're at supply, even though we're at the all-time high, like I don't fucking care, because you know why? The buyers don't care. They just keep buying. So as long as we're bullish, I'm going to try to remain bullish. If this is an area where I would like to be bearish, but I would like to see another sweep of the high here before and catch some people off guard, right? So, and then for ES, for those of you that are trading ES, I'll switch over to this chart here. And ES is actually setting up just as nicely. We're sitting right inside of supply here at 5286 through roughly about 5308. And if you haven't, I'm just gonna put this little plug out here. If you haven't gone to watch my top-down analysis video, I strongly suggest you go watch that video. I rewatched it this morning because yes, I did it, but sometimes I don't remember everything that I said, right? So I rewatched it this morning. It was the first thing I watched this morning. I rewatched it and I said, we're going up today. Like, we're going up, right? When I looked at the weekly inside of my macro analysis video, everything told me we're about to take this high. And look where we are now. We're looking to take 53.33. And my prediction this week was that we would take the all-time high. That was my bullish prediction, right? And we're damn near there on ES, right? We're above this high and we're at this last supply zone before we get back to 5,300. And then we're just going to rally for about 30 points, in my opinion, right? Like, there's no reason for the market to stop. We're just so close. Like, I think the market wants all-time highs and then maybe we get some type of pullback. So to the bearish side, well, I have a bearish plan and I'm going to tell you my bearish plan, but I ain't playing the bearish plan. It's just that simple for me. Like, I'm just not going to do it. Like, I just feel much more comfortable longing the market, right? Last bearish area for me is basically all-time highs. This supply zone that sits right here, I didn't draw it because, I thought we'd take a while before we came back up here, but 53.27 through 53.33.50 is the next area of interest that I'm looking for. A very much lack of buying again at these highs, Justin. So I don't know if you're still in this thing, but
no. I got out. As soon as we broke above there with like strong buying, I got out. But it does look good, but I'm not gonna try to short this again. I'm gonna wait until the market opens.
Yeah.
I do like shorts up here though. I'm actually I'm actually viewing this a bit differently. I like shorts. However, my problem with shorts right now is what just happened. So I wasn't short. I got kind of a bad entry. I think I entered.
Oh, you're viewing up here differently versus what you were viewing it, not against what I was saying.
Yeah. Like,
okay.
I'm open to shorting the market, but here's my issue though. So I got short, like, it was down here. I didn't get the best entry. The market came down. We came down one more time, and I wanted to see this. I only needed down to like 473, but I wanted to see this level break. It didn't break, and now the problem with shorting the market up here, even though the tape looks weak, is that structurally the market is still making higher highs and higher lows. So to try to short this prematurely could be a problem. So I think we're going to continue to move up. I want to kind of see what we do at these highs here, and maybe trap some traders up here. But I think today, if I'm going to short the market, I want to see the trend, this little trend that we have right now, break first and then retest for me to short the market. I tried the early short, just speculating that this low was going to break. It didn't work. That's why I got out of the trade, and I probably saved myself $160 because I probably would have got stopped out. So now I'm just going to be patient and kind of wait for the market to kind of develop a little bit more. I don't really have too much of a bullish plan. I kind of want to see what we do on the 5 minute, because yesterday that 5 minute demand zone that we had really held nicely throughout the entire day. So I really want to see if we can't build some type of structure to play off of intraday. So until then, I think I'm going to be a little bit more bearish up here. But if we're able to break this zone right here, I think the market's about to fly. Even though I have supply above, I don't think it's going to stop. We're so close to all-time highs. ES is so close to all-time highs, but ES is also in supply as well. So it kind of, I guess it kind of makes me a little bit more bearish up here to the bear side. But we'll see what happens.
Yeah, I'm definitely bearish up here. I just would like to see a little bit more. Before we come down. And then we got some interesting comments today. So Mr. Pie Scraper says buy and hold. Morning, fellas. Apex payout today, 17,000 on the. Hold on.
Let's go, Aya.
Yeah.
But bro, Hobbs, we can't let Mr. Pot Scrapers get away with this buy and hold. We can't let him get away with buy and hold.
I'm coming back to him. But I got something a little bit more pressing. I'm just taking my way down.
Okay, we can't let him get away with comments like that.
Let me drop one of these bombs from my man Micaiah, one of the day one members. Or that's the horn. But anyway, one of the day one members of the shop, man, always grinding every day to get better. And bro, I'm so effing proud of you, man. I'm so proud of you. $17,000 payout approved. Let's get it, bro. Let's fucking go. So 30-year bond going up. Now, Mr. Potts, we coming back to you. Don't you worry. Don't you worry. I got some free smoke for you. 18,700 today. No shit. This is what I wanted to get to. Apex changed up their rules enforcement. I did pass a 250K on CPI. Okay. And then the next comment Dr. JC says is the crazy strategies and dollar cost averaging bracket orders are now illegal. So I have no idea what that means. I'm assuming what you mean is for CPI is bracketing one way or the other is illegal now. I'm assuming that that's what you mean, but let me clarify what you mean by that so you can look into that as well. Good morning, gents. Good morning, boy.
I'll look and see. I think
inverse Mr. Pot Scrapers. Exactly. Good morning, Kayla. Good morning. Chicago Shun, your copper hit all-time high today. Weird timing. Yeah, it's time to go down. People will be stealing wire pipes. What's up, Timsky? What's going on, brother? Welcome back to the shop, man. I ain't seen you in a while. Welcome to the stagflation era, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, this is stagflation 100%. Get used to these inflation numbers. They ain't going down no time soon. Congrats, Micaiah 55. Now, how do we got all that out of the way? Pull Mr. Pot Scrapers to the front of the congregation here, right? Front of the congregation, Mr. Pot Scrapers. Bring that ass here, boy. All right, listen.
Pause, but okay.
Yesterday, if you guys didn't go watch the show yesterday, all day yesterday, he was telling us short. And I'm telling him, Mr. Potts, we're going up. Like, look at the daily, look at the weekly. No, I'm the indicator. Short. I'm like, Mr. Potts, we're going up, bro. Like, look at the freaking daily, bro. No, short. And lo and behold, we came down to an interesting level, right? Me and the Discord fam, after we got off stream, we got right into the trade. We held it for 3 hours. We got long at 3:06, which was basically the bottom of the PM session, right? And we held it, and we all ate good. And all we were thinking about was, I hope Mr. Pot Scraper got a big ass tub so he can get under that motherfucker and hide, because that's what he said he was going to do if this market went up. So now on today, all of a sudden, Mr. Pot Scrapers, I'm short at 505, by the way, guys. Stops are already at break even because I don't trust it. But now all of a sudden, Mr. Pot Scraper is like, hey, buy and hold today. No shit, Mr. Pot Scraper. Yes, we're going to buy and hold today. I'm cautiously getting, this is what I mean when I say cautiously look to short the market. I'm in at 505.50 and I'm already at break even. Like, I'm that afraid to short this market. Normally, I let this play out to my stop loss. I don't want to because I don't know if I believe in the shorts yet. So if they start to push down, I'll be very happy. If they sweep me out in the morning, I'm cool. No harm, no foul. I gain about $10 because I'm logging in about $10 on the trade, right? But again, cautiously shorting this market because every time we tap the low, we just keep coming back up and it scares me. I'm just being honest. Okay. Now Mr. Pot Scraper is the biggest bull out here. So I just want to Bud Yeti. Yeah, Bud is killing it, by the way. Bud has hit his stride this week.
Dr. JC, that bracket rule isn't new. That bracket rule came out in like 20 I think it's like 2001 or something like that. That bracket, they dropped that bracket rule where you're not allowed to. It's what I used to do. I used to bracket CPI, right? Where with limit orders above and below, and then whichever way the breakout happened is whichever way I would try. It's it's not an illegal strategy, but it just gives you an edge potentially in the market for catching a big move for CPI that they don't like. You can definitely lose. I definitely lost doing it, but and then I don't know why DCAing would be something that they would frown upon. I mean, you could dollar cost average. This is just sizing into a position. So I don't know why they wouldn't allow that to happen. So I don't know, but I definitely know. But I did see the bracket order one. Oh, they're just important. Well, yeah. I mean, that makes sense.
Okay.
That makes sense because like you can make a ton of money doing that on CPI if you're right. You know,
make $6.
Hey, I made $3.
$6.30. I can't be upset. Like, I feel like this is where you want to short the market, but the market don't care what I think. It's like, shut up.
It is, but I think we're it looks like we're consolidating right here.
Yeah, well, maybe we sweep this high first and then go up. But I definitely like this area for shorts. I think my stop was too tight, but it was purposely too tight. So
bro, I did the same. Bro, I was up 10 points, and I was like, yeah. I was feeling good, and then when we started playing around at $500, I was like, yeah, I'm going to break even. I'm not playing with this.
Yeah, I was like, I'm up 8 points. I don't feel comfortable at all. I was like, fuck this, I'm out. Micaiah says, and then this is very important, right? Micaiah says, to give you all some perspective, I've been trading for 4 years and have lost nearly 40,000 in that time. I'm at break even from 4 years of learning now. It takes time, but stay diligent. Man, that's the most honest shit I've ever heard, man. Thank you for not allowing people to just focus on your gains, but they need to learn your story as well, right? Like, this shit don't happen overnight. That's why we celebrate it so heavily when it does happen, right? So congratulations to you, man, for hitting break even after 4 years. But that's the market, man. That's the market, bro. They just now enforcing it. Thanks, Hobbs. Hey, no problem, bud. Keep going, bro. Don't stay focused. Don't give nothing back to this market. If you up that much, why even keep trading today? You've done your job. Timsky says, food for thought. All the auto manufacturers are either dropping or ending EV production. Audi just stopped VW on their heels. What are we doing with that information in regards to the market, though? Just out of curiosity. I don't know how that's gonna affect.
I was like, that's
ETFs.
Cool, but
that's cool.
Unless you trade Tesla or Tesla.
I'm like, hey, that's cool, but I trade futures. I don't give a fuck what Tesla's doing. I don't care. Look, in my opinion, Tesla's not even a part of the Mag 7. I just got them up there as an honorary mention.
Stop. They're a part of the Mag 7.
They're not.
Leave Tesla alone.
They're not a part of the Mag 7. They're not even a $1 trillion company. Not $1 trillion to be like frowning upon them, but they're not a $1 trillion company. So they're not actually.
You know what? I'm curious, and tech could come back and be in the Mag 7 and kick Tesla out. Would actually be Twitter. Once X comes back, I wonder what X is gonna drop as and what they're gonna boost to. That could be interesting. But yeah, right now the market's literally holding these highs. I cannot short this market right now. I want to, but I cannot.
You want to do what? Short?
We're just chilling. Huh?
So you want to short?
I would like to short, but I mean, I'm not shorting this strength. Forget that.
Yeah, no. Not with this big ass bubble looking like that. Yeah, I tell you what Valdez did. Valdez went long at these lows. He was like, fuck this. I'm not fighting this trend no more.
Now he was short with me, and then he got short again. I don't know what happened after that.
Here come these freaking sellers.
Okay, yeah.
Oh, I thought you got back long. I thought you got back long. I think we're going down still. I just think we're playing with liquidity first.
That's what I'm gonna do. I'm waiting till 9:30.
I think we're coming down now.
But this is a nice 1 minute candle right here, though. I ain't gonna lie. It almost, you know what it almost looks like? It almost looks like we're bull flagging up here, though. And I'm hoping this is gonna be like a. I was looking at it on the 5. I changed to the 1, but on the 5, I mean, we're literally just consolidating here. It looks like a flag.
Yeah, it feels like we're just inducing the other side to try to go short, but I don't know. I'm just gonna wait. That's the only reason why.
Yeah, that's the only reason why it scares me to try to long or to short the market here.
It looks like the exact same consolidation we got down at the lows.
To money. Yeah, it looks like we're accepting the price.
Mm-hmm. The exact same consolidation we got down at the lows before we ripped higher. So no, thank you. I'd love to see us come back to 416, but yeah, right where that green box is down there. That's exactly where I'm looking to trade.
Whoa, Nvidia big sell on the 15-second. Yeah, that makes sense. I mean, NQ's coming down as well. Bull flag on the 10-minute. Yeah, it's bull flag everywhere. Bull flag on every minute, on every hour. It's a bull flag. Call me crazy, but I'm bearish. I mean, I'm more bearish than bullish up here.
I'm more bearish than bullish up here, but I just need to see the selling start. I need to see some of that selling come in first. I'm not gonna be first seller up here. That's for damn sure. I've already
I tried the first order thing.
That
didn't work out. It didn't hurt, but it didn't win either. So I'm cool just chilling. There's no reason to rush it.
Oh, we got 3 minutes.
It's 27. We got 3 minutes till market opens. Does your Bookmap do this thing now where it shows you the time at the bottom?
No.
Like there's like a slider now that shows you like the exact time that your thing is on?
No.
Oh, it's pretty dope. I don't know. I like
said,
things.
Well, mine works. It's like, well there's that.
I did update my Bookmap to the newest version, so that's maybe why you don't have it.
You know I didn't update mine. You know,
he's like
that shit off,
my computer is too slow. It can't handle Bookmap enough. I'm not updating. I'm keeping it exactly the same. Wherever it's at is where it's at.
Hey, if my Bookmap don't update itself and you don't tell me to update it, this motherfucker will stay in the 21st century.
It definitely does not update itself. You gotta update it. It'll ask you to update it. It looks like 9.5 and 500. We have 734 delta and 862 delta to the buy side. So this area continues to act as support. Every time we come down here, we bounce. So
they're just building demand here, looks like.
Yeah.
Which I'm cool with. We ain't got no more news. So I just think that it might be dead for shorts today. Like, I think it might be a dead short day.
Yeah, we might be taking a whole nother leg up, ladies and gentlemen. Or I think we only have gentlemen in here right now that have talked. I take that back. Kayla said something. Where the ladies at?
Kayla.
Where the ladies at?
Jayhawk in the building in the Discord.
What's up, Bray? Good morning.
Jayhawk. Emmett, Eddie. And we were saying, what up? What up, cuz? What up, gangsta? It's all good, mama. You know,
because you're too busy getting your get back at WAGME. That's what it is.
I think what up, 474 is going to be the look. Hey, bro.
Hey, Michelle, you know you're in the Discord, right? And your mic. Oh, you were in the Discord, but
yesterday,
you your husband was hot micing hard as hell yesterday.
Yeah, we had to mute both of y'all asses yesterday.
I hope you're feeling better, Michelle.
Yeah, I hope you're feeling better. I hope you're feeling much better.
She said,
"Yeah,
no.
we're just chilling." Yeah. Both of y'all were both hot micing aggressively yesterday. We kept turning off the mic to see if you were done. They was like, "Yeah, so about this shit and fuck this." We was like, "All right, cool," you know, like, nah, you wasn't saying all that. I'm just saying. All right, more buying coming into this market. Again, I'm just being patient, man. If we push out of this area, the only other area I'm looking at short is 620 up to all-time highs. But I mean, if we get up there, like, they're coming.
Here comes these bulls. But that was hilarious. Yeah, it was pretty funny. I'm gonna take this bottom trend line off. All right, looks like the Bears are starting to fail here.
Nvidia
try to break that high.
Oh my God, Nvidia's coming down. Let's see if they break the low here. We're still not really moving on the ETF though, but the Nvidia is definitely coming down here.
Yeah, we're coming down a little bit. We're trying to break this. We're trying to break this trend.
Yeah, that sweep looked good. 515.
But we just continue to hold the low.
The more we consolidate here, the more I'm just like, I'll wait. We get that aggressive drop from this, and I just miss that trade, then it is what it is.
Yeah, I think we swept the high and we swept the low. Personally, for me, I'm just gonna wait until the market decides to make
until the market. Yeah,
there's no edge for me here.
Yep, I already know what happens in here. I lose all my tokens for the day, and I'm chasing my ass all day. So just wait.
Yeah, no, I agree, because it's like you try to get short at the low, and then it reverses on you, and then you think it's the long. You try to get long, and then it reverses on you at the high, and then it's just like, man.
I'm just more of a 950 macro kind of guy. You know what I mean? I'm more of a, you know what? Y'all got 930. Let me know how it works out. I'll wait to 950 or, maybe 1050, 1150. I'm more of that kind of trade, right? Like,
Boy said when
right here.
Boy said when Hobbs wears the red shirt, all the ladies come up from nowhere.
Yeah, they do. That's fact.
Oh, that's hilarious.
I don't know. It's like a beacon for all the single ladies. I don't know. Wife be home today, so she might come in here today and be like, "Your ass better not be wearing no red shirt." She's home today. So.
Whenever Zabak come in here, Zabak bring his crew with him. That's what it is.
Yeah, the whole squad be here.
Yeah, Michelle, it was pretty funny. It looks like we're trying to rally up.
Push out of this. Yeah, this is what I want to see.
Let's see if we take out the high.
We were in that consolidation. We swept the low. Now let's see if we sweep the high to announce the bearish pivot here. I'm still bearish up at 620. I'm hoping for like a bearish pivot to push in here. Maybe take that high at 60, go as high as like 620, and then flush. I'm still not buying the bullishness up here. I still think that we're gonna come down from here, but if it continues to go higher, then I'll wait for pullbacks into this zone here. Looks good though on the 5 minute. Yeah, didn't even realize. Yeah, Michelle, it was funny. It was freaking hilarious.
Yeah, the 5 minute we put in another basing candle.
Yeah.
And then we dropped lower. We trapped some sellers down there to the low side, and now we're popping right up. We'll see. Just gonna try to take this very, very patient.
Caitlin said the gray sweat does it more than the red sweatpants. Yeah, my wife don't let me go to the store with gray sweatpants or gray shorts. I barely get away with wearing my white shorts anywhere. Y'all crazy.
Some more big sellers.
Girls are just as horny towards as boys are. It's the same shit. Y'all just look at different things and y'all keep it quiet. Y'all letting y'all secrets out lately though. All right, trapping more bulls at the highs. Again, I'm not very bearish on this area, but I'm pretty bearish on this area, right? So we'll see what happens. Right now, we're just consolidating. There's no edge for me. I'm not a scalper, so this doesn't interest me. I want to see the market break out one way or the other. And yes, I know we broke out via the news candle, but I need more structure to be built for me to participate. Nvidia is not stopping. It's back at 930 right now, so maybe this is not a bearish pivot point. Volatility index is pushing back to 14.
Yeah,
my wife said they can show up. Just keep it respectful. She's talking about all the ladies that show up here. Sometimes when I wear the red hoodie and Justin get a haircut, that's why we keep him roughneck. You know what I mean? Like we don't want him looking too cute. Too many ladies coming here acting crazy.
I got a haircut. I got a haircut on Friday.
Oh, you did?
Friday? Yeah.
Oh, okay. Good too. You ain't got that. You ain't all close to the screen and shit, so we can't see the sauce.
Good.
Good.
I like to keep my distance. You know what I'm
saying? Oh my God, bud. He said, "This Michelle." So he started off respectfully. Then he said, "And on the bright side, at least you weren't getting cheeks clapped on a hot mic."
Oh my God. Oh my God.
I'm weak.
What up, Jonah?
What up, Jonah? Yeah, we do.
Why do you have to say it out loud like that, though?
No, the funny part is he started with Miss Michelle. Because he knew he was about to say some fucking borderline shit. No Diddy, right?
No Diddy. Oh man, another big seller just came into the market right there.
Yeah,
Who order filled it? Who order filled it?
Give me that.
Who order filled it?
It
was Valdez. Valdez with the order filled. Okay.
He said, "Give me that. Give me that."
I don't know what it is about today, but as soon as you see the selling come in, it's like buyers immediately are like gobble, gobble, gobble. So I don't know.
Nah, I still like this area for shorts for sure.
Gobble.
Calm down, gobble game.
It's like
You're relaxed.
Gobble.
I think I like that entry for the shorts here. That was 143 sales too.
Yeah, we did get 143 seller right there.
Yeah, hell yeah.
This is the area to look for shorts.
God bless you.
Wait, but weren't you a perma bear? Weren't you the?
We gotta go down to go higher. We gotta go down to go higher. We can't stay up here forever.
You watched the market. You watched the market rally for like 3 straight months and was looking for shorts. And now that we're up was at the highs, Jonah, you want longs?
Shit, that's the whole reason why we want a short. That's the whole reason why we want a short, because of that pump.
Yeah.
It do.
Yeah, but it looked like a bull flag, but we breaking right through it.
I'm short with you, Valdez. I'm short with you, brother. You got a much better entry than I do, I'm sure. But I took the break of the candle at 511 on the 5. I wasn't letting it leave this area without taking a short. I just wanted to see the aggressive selling coming in. Man, these fucking bulls at the lows though.
Yeah, that's a problem. Is these bulls below?
I'm just so scared to be in shorts, bro. So scared. I'm short, but I'm so fucking frightened. I just my second short. It's my second short. I cut that motherfucker for $6. Yeah, facts. You know we off. If I'm bullish, you bears. No, I'm about to get out. Come on, duck. Give me $100. I'll take $100. I'll take $100 so I can leave. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to short you. I'm so sorry. I'm at break even, bro. I can't take it. I can't take it. I'm getting out. I'm getting out. I'm out. Don't take me out.
God.
Keep dropping.
5-minute candle.
Bruh, I'm out. Ah, damn, man. They just keep coming every time we go. Anybody else want to step in front of these bulls? Bro, it just seems like the right thing to do. Don't it look juicy? Don't it look juicy on them? Man. Yeah, I still think it's coming down. I'm not getting back in though. My heart can't take it. Can't take it, bro. I can't take it. This is 100% a winged day. 100%. I did well on a winged day yesterday. I did good. I got an account funded that they still ain't gave you that motherfucker yet. They like, yeah, nah, you ain't trading this shit. I'll work on these other accounts. 1 day to pass, 2 minis. Let's get it.
Good Lord, bro.
This is ugly.
I almost hit the button there because I was like, oh, this could be a good short opportunity, but I think I'm gonna wait to see some of these candles close because
I think they're trying to send this shit. I think they're trying.
Yeah. I think they do look like they're trying to send it.
Keep short this motherfucker. I dare you. I fucking dare you. I'm done short this shit. I don't think they're trying to go higher. I don't think they're trying to go lower. I think they're trying to go up. I'm done fighting these fucking fools up here. Nope.
No.
Not yet. We got.
We're like 200 points away.
Yeah, we're 200 points away. Yeah.
Oh my god.
Yeah, it's a wrap for these fucking shorts, bro. These bulls just they not just buying, they buying aggressively down here, bro.
Yeah, and ES is rally-based rallying on its 5-minute. Yeah,
the consolidation. Yeah, no, I know you all wanted it to, but the structure didn't support it. The structure was we were in consolidation. I was like, if we were gonna dump, we would have did it already. I was like, we're not at any significant high. We're consolidating. We're not taking highs or lows. I was like, we're going higher. That's why I said this morning, I was like, we're going higher this morning. I don't think we're coming down. But now that we went higher, now we got to consolidate to go even higher, right? We got to do more consolidation before we go higher. All of us are expecting a push down before we go higher. Well, not all of us, but me and some other people that have shorted the market this morning. We were expecting a push lower before we went higher, but the market don't give a fuck. It's like, no, like, we don't need to go. We got all the information we need. We're just going to push from here. We'll go lower another day. You know what I mean? So yeah, they got what they wanted. They like, nah, we don't need no fucking more range time. We're good. We figured out everything we want to do. I just want to see a sweep of these lows before I take it long, right? If I take it long up here, I'm scared to long up here too. I'm just a bit disappointed all together, bro. Like, I don't know what the fuck I want to do. Huh? Yeah, no, it definitely seems safer to long, but the consolidation is just so aggressive, right? Like at the highs, we're taking out sellers. At the highs, we're taking out buyers. At the lows, we're taking out sellers. So to me, like this range is just nah. I'm good. I'm just gonna stay. This is a no trade area in general. Like as much as I really want to take shorts, I really do. I'm not going to.
Yeah, I mean, I want to short the market too, but I think I'm just gonna allow this low to get broken because right now we're just in between. We're just in this range, and there's just.
I'm gonna wait till 950, man. I'm gonna see what happens at 950.
There's just no edge here.
Yeah, we're trading sideways. Yeah.
I mean, this 5-minute candle again is looking pretty bearish, but this 5-minute candle is looking real bearish right here.
The 10-minute look bearish, in my opinion. We're just consolidating, bro. Like we can't take that 547 high, but we can't take out the lows at 91. So we're consolidating between that high and that low. So
yep.
I think the market wants down. Yeah, I think she wants down.
I think she wants down too, but I'm just gonna be patient and wait. This is a higher or lower high being put in after we did break below some type of structure, but yeah, we sped up. We got to break 43 though. This level was held so many times. All right, that's a good break. He's talking to himself. Yeah, but we're still not breaking below the ultimate low. It must be a bug that's going on. It's got to be a bug because I think it happened to Hobbs' wife yesterday. I think that's what might have happened to Michelle as well. I think it's just a bug. Yeah,
no, I'm in long.
We just bounced VWAP. Yeah.
I'm long. I was like, I just wanted to see what happened at these lows, bro. I'm like, I'm getting long if we sweep this low.
I don't know. Give him a wink, nod.
If we sweep this low and we don't close, I'm gonna try to take the market long.
What up? What up, Eric? I think we coming down in bulls we trust. Void got short. Nah, he got out. Bulls got the sharp horns. Oh,
yeah,
and short. Give me the flush. Yeah, that was an I gotcha.
Yo, Jonathan, you're my house. You're good. You got that. You got that, bro. Let me know how it work out.
That was not. I got you short. I got you, bitch.
Yeah, that was a two micro long, 2 micro short type of day. Inside of this consolidation, I'm not risking too much.
Yeah, I think we still coming down.
I'm not looking at 1 minute candles.
Ooh. Uh-oh, Valdez. Uh-oh. We might be popping right back up. This is nuts.
The VIX is coming up here. VIX is looking stronger to the short.
Yeah, 1 hour it is coming up.
Give me the flush. Don't get chopped up, guys. No, I took a couple losses up in that area. I mean, they were fairly small losses. I'm trading 2 micros. It's a CPI day, so I'm not really worried about it. But once I saw it going not in my direction, I was like, yeah, let me get the fuck out of this shit. It's just chop here. I think it wants down though, honestly. I genuinely do. It's just so hard to short it because there's so much strength in this move here. So every time we go down, the bulls are coming back up to buy, but ultimately they're trying to go down. I think once we can get through 495, we'll go lower. Look at the delta at 495. There's so many buyers that are right there. We're now under 500, which is good on the delta, right? We're under 500. That's where a lot of buyers were sitting at. So once those buyers start to close, we'll start to get a nice push, but we got to get through 495 first. Once we get beneath 495, I expect a nice sweep to the downside. Look at win numbers. There's the push right there. We just got below 495. Let's see if we can continue to hold below it.
Yeah, I want to see what the market does at 473. That might be an area to look for longs potentially.
I mean, we're in the middle of this downtrend now. Look at the 15 minute.
Oh yeah, I'm looking at the 5.
Look at the 15 real quick.
Yeah, 15 looks good too for the downside.
Look at the tape. You don't want
to. I'm looking.
You don't want this shit at 73, bro. You want to wait till we come back down to that 416 level. I think that'll be the next level, or we're coming back down to 339.
Oh, CPI definitely is giving it back.
Yeah, that was the best move to walk away, bro. It was just too choppy to stay. We got that same doji candle print on that 15-minute close at 9:30. That's why I was more confident in the shorts. Once I saw that close, I'm like, man, we're coming down. But then I got scared and tried to go long and just got confused. Well, the rest is history. The rest is history. But I got back in, Jonah. I got back in at 487, baby. Let's go. I got back in, Jonah. That 15-minute candle is flushing. Let's go, Valdez. Let's get it. All my losses are back, baby. Give me my fucking losses back. Market. We back, baby. We back. I punked out. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not proud of how I got this entry, but you know what? I got it. I only loaned the market once up here. You my fucking ducking target. All right, that was a nice clean drop right there. Again, if we can get below 4, we got below 487, which was key for me. That delta up there was super key. So Now what I'm looking for is probably a retest of 487, right? And then once we retest 487, then I'm looking for a drop back down to 416. That's what I want to see happen here. And if we get through 416, I expect us to come down to 339. Let's see what the tape looks like. Hey, what's up, sir? Yeah. %. You fibbed the whole candle on the 15-minute time frame. Yeah. So that candle, because it's an aggressive gap candle, you can anticipate price coming back to roughly about 50% of that candle. But you got to remember what this candle broke, right? So it broke the previous high at 439 and the previous low at 393. So that's why I'm looking for price to on ES. Oh, okay. Yeah. Hang on. Let me look at ES real quick. On ES, let me pull it up here. Okay, yeah, ES is a little different as well. Here, hang on, let me see. Let me fib this candle. No, yeah, you're good. That's a good question. So let me fib it out here. Yeah, so 52.86, right where Justin's looking to trade right now, is the area where we could potentially bounce. That'll be 50% of this entire candle. But what I'm looking for is us to come back to here, let me turn this damn magnet off. This shit's driving me crazy. What I'm looking for is to come back to on ES. Okay, there we go. I'm looking for 52.70 on ES. That's where I would be looking to trade on ES. Longs at 52.70. Because that's the previous day high, and then the low of this consolidation. That's 50% of that range. So I'd be looking for price to trade back into there on ES. Yeah, that would be my levels on ES. And then if we get past there, 52.48 is the 90 minutes demand zone, right? So consolidating down here, this does
I'm
not
liking it.
Okay, relax.
I'm liking it.
Yeah, we're consolidating down here at these lows. I would not be longing this. Just looking at the 15-minute candle, the 15-minute candle looks really aggressive. We just broke through structure, but I understand what Justin's looking at. He's waiting to see if buyers are interested. But remember, Jay, you want to wait for that sweep of the low of that consolidation.
Oh, I'm waiting for the candlestick. I'm waiting for this to break trend and for it to come back down. I want to see the push out first. But I mean, we swept pretty aggressively down to 446, and then right after that we put orders below us. So I think it looks pretty good. But like I said, I'm waiting. We're moving sideways right now, which is what I like to see. So I want to see if we can't break trend here and then come back down for the retest and maybe retest this consolidation, this like 446 consolidation area.
Yeah.
But that was a really good sweep on the 1 minute though.
Hell, my wife just went. Let's see her get in the car and bounce.
We definitely are in the middle, but this is this area was low volume on the push up, so it could be a good area where buyers might want to reload, especially if you look at the tape. If you I don't know if Hobbs tape looks the same, but from like 443 all the way down to 446, there was literally no transactions that happened there because we swept this area so quickly. So a lot of times what will happen is they'll come back down and try to fill this gap because there's literally a gap in price. Like nothing was transacted there. So this is an area where buyers might want to look to defend. That's the only reason why I have this area marked as a potential area. And so far, so it's looking good. I just want to be patient and see this area break up above this trend line that I have drawn. And then if we break above the trend line, I'll wait for the retest and then I'll get in long. Because if you're short, the two things that you don't like to see is us to stay in an area for an extended period of time, and then you don't want to see the buying come up out of here, and that's what looks like. That's what looks like is potentially happening. So we'll see.
I mean, that's what creates the bear flag. So I'm cool with the buying coming out of here. I just don't want to see the high broken. Right? I don't want to see us take back over 502 because that to me would be an indication of a reversal, right? But I'm cool with the buying coming in. I just don't want to see it sustained. I want to see it shut down. That's all. Remember, 487 was super key. So on the tape, I've marked out where the selling started. So from 486 to roughly about 510 is where I anticipate price coming back into. So let's see if the sellers want to defend, like all of this aggressive selling that just came in. Let's see if the sellers want to continue to defend this area. As long as they continue to defend, I'm pretty comfortable in the trade. But if that changes, then I'm okay with taking a loss as well. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, nothing's changed. Nothing changes. Yeah, I just think like when price slows down after a break of structure, it's supposed to do that, right? Like we broke 473, so once we break a low, we have to consolidate, right, in order to go lower or vice versa to go higher, right? Like either one of those could be true, but I think after we take a low or we take a high, we anticipate that consolidation. So if you're not willing to hold through that, then yeah, obviously get out down there at the low, right? And then you can reposition yourself, right? So yeah, we know what that shit looked like. I know what that candle looks like. Yeah. It doesn't mean that the trade is invalidated. Yeah. Exactly. Exactly. That's where I'm at with it here is just like if it pushes up, fine. Like if it pushes up higher than when I got in, I'm okay with being in drawdown. What I'm not okay with is price taking the high and then continuing higher. And then when it comes back down, puts in a lower high. Once it does that, then I gotta get out. I mean a higher low, I should say. If it does that, then that invalidates the trade because that changes character. Right now we haven't changed character. We're just pulling back. But I do think that Justin's also right. Like that consolidation creates an opportunity for a long, right? But the long is either a reversal long or it's a pullback into structure long. So all right, we're coming back into that area where all of that selling began. So we want to see the sellers defend here or this thing's going to go right back up. So
it's just a lot of buying going on.
Well, my shit is like
aggressive
frozen
buying.
It's like it just cleared all the liquidity up at the top.
No.
Mhm. Yeah, it's like my shit is frozen. I don't know what happened. Like it just stopped. Is your bookmap frozen, just?
No, it's still going. They did clear the bookmap though, but it's pumping right now.
Yeah, we are pamping right here.
Somebody just absorbed a lot of orders right there though.
Right now,
at 500.
Like, they need to shut this shit down right the fuck now, or it's gonna get out of control.
Where? Yeah, no, they don't. Crude oil inventory is at 10:30, but we don't have any other news today.
What's up, Yvonne? You think this is a higher time frame pullback? Could be. He said, print. Let's get it. Yeah, we're looking way aggressive. If we get back above 510, then I'm out of the trade. But as long as we stay below 510, I think we're okay. I like the aggressive buying coming in, and I just might add to the position if we stay below 510. Remember, 500 through 470, 487 was key. So now we're coming back into that level and we're getting shut down right there. I really, really like that. That's what you want to see right there. Right at that level, we want to see price get shut down, and that's what happened. So let's see if we can get continuation from these sellers here. You don't want to see them come back. You don't want to see them come back. All right, back at that delta where all of that buying occurred, you want to see sellers step back into the market right here. You can see the delta on the order flow right there, right at 500 and 495. You want to see the bulls, you want to see the bears defend this area. I don't know what's going on with my tape. It keeps freezing. But yeah.
What?
All right, here's a push back down. All right, again, bulls aggressively buying at this level, but you want to see that get shut down there. Like I said, I'm out of this trade above 510, but I'm looking to add to this trade if they fail here. Yeah. 500, more buying coming in at 500. That doesn't look good. Oh,
I never heard from Mr. Pot Scrapers, except for earlier.
Yeah. Massive reversal coming in here at 507, 506. Again, out of the trade at 510. There we go. Out of the trade there. All done. That's a loss. We swept the low. We continued to push higher, and I wasn't willing to give it more than 510. If we couldn't defend up at 510, then I had to be out of that trade. Good trade idea, good execution. The Bulls wanted much higher, and they didn't want to pull back. They only wanted a small pullback. They were like, yeah, that's good enough. Go.
Yeah, it looks like we created a new 5-minute demand down there.
Yeah, really nice 5-minute demand. Looks really good.
Oh, we definitely have. We've definitely rallied and then came back and taken the entire candle. I mean, think about it. It's not uncommon for the market to rally a large rally and then at least come back down and take half of the candle before coming up and pushing higher, because nobody wants to buy up at the highest price. You know, people want to. But I have seen this come all the way back down though. Yeah.
All right, we're pushing back into where all of this selling originated. We're getting way above that level. I don't think the market wants to come down at all. The market wants to continue to push higher. He said, this motherfucker better fuck, man. I know that's right.
Yeah, now the question becomes, do the Bears want to defend at this high or?
Exactly. Now the question becomes, what are we going to do at the high? Because we found out what we want to do at the low. That's for damn sure.
Yeah, the Bears still haven't accomplished anything either. But
either side.
Yeah, but I'll say they're open either the Bulls.
Yeah, the Bulls look more in control though, for sure, based off the previous candle structure.
But this is looking like a retest potentially. Man, this is just, for me anyway, this has been a little bit tough for price action. Speaking personally. Let's see what you got. This is again one of those days where, like, the market isn't pulling back for the bullish moves, or the bullish pullbacks are just taken straight off.
Yeah, they're just recovering. They're recovering pretty aggressive. Go ahead, you broke up a little bit, Jonah. Yeah, that's what it feels like. It feels like the pullbacks ain't pulled back, and they just rip it right back up.
Yeah.
Like, I thought we would get an opportunity to get out of the trade, right? If we were wrong, right? Like, I thought we would get a chance to get out on a pullback. So that's what I was looking for. I'm like, okay, well, as long as it doesn't break this level, and see, now we pushed all the way through there, and now the selling comes in, right? Like, they just swept all the way back up to the point of origin, right? And now it looks like the selling might try to come in, but the bulls just continue to buy. They just continue to buy. Mayday, mayday, mayday.
Yeah, the market's putting me in a rock and a hard place right now, that's for sure. Because, like, I want to short up here, but we're really, really bullish. But for me to long, we have to come back down. And so it's just like, ugh. Just gonna
just wait.
I mean, look, yesterday y'all said, remember we rallied, and I said, okay, I want this to come back to that 5-minute demand, and it came right back down to that 5-minute demand. That's all I'm saying. It might not happen today, but you know.
Oh, we'll come back here. We're coming back to 479 at some point. It may not be today, but we're gonna come back here. If we can get above the high, though, that's the key. We got to get above 550, or we're gonna come right back down. That's the key.
Oh my God.
What? Just
I'll tell you later. It's about another trader that we know. Jesus.
Just tell me. I hate when you do that shit.
And that's why I do it.
Okay.
I'll tell you later. I want to say it on stream. Well, I'll type it to you. That way you know.
I was about to say, you have my text message, you have my phone number, you got a private chat.
I know. Okay.
There's no way you can tell me this information.
Shut up. Okay.
No way you can get this information to me without everybody knowing on screen.
Calm down. Calm down.
I'm just trying to figure out what your thesis is here. Like, that's all. Like,
all right, look at the private chat.
Hey, it happens, bro. He was being short, huh?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Bro, never in my life, bro. Never in my life. I don't care what my target is.
No, I don't care what my target is. Hell no.
I don't care what my target is. Oh, yesterday? Yeah.
Ironic that you would say that.
I know. It's super ironic. If you knew what just happened, you'd be like, bruh.
Just tell him. You act like it's a fucking secret. Nobody even noticed, dude. Like, you act like it's a fucking secret.
I don't give a fuck. I don't care. I just think it's crazy. Okay, I'll tell you. Carmine got short.
He'd be so dramatic about shit. Like,
no, I think it's crazy because I would never. We just said we would never allow that to happen.
I'm not tripping about. It's
ironic
why do you
that
think
you brought
it's such
that
a
up.
big secret?
No, it's not a secret. I'm just Carmine got in a short. Like he got, actually, I think he took the same short that Hobbs was in, and Valdez, but he let 15K. He let 15K go to a 1K trade. Yeah. That's a 30K turnaround.
That's a huge turnaround right there. Hell no.
Yeah.
Hell no. But he's one of those. I mean, that's his size, but at the same time, like, I think his problem it wasn't the size. I think his problem is he had a target in mind and he refused to let it go, even with the pullback.
He just said he had a 7-to-1 risk to reward, and he was 1 point shy of his target.
That's nuts. Yeah, no, that's ridiculous. That's ridiculous.
He was a dick for a tick right there. That's what that was.
No,
he was a dick for a tick right there.
Management here, but you got to take that off, bro.
Yeah, that one hurts. That one hurts. Well, especially because he was down 10K yesterday. That'd have been a 5K turnaround for him.
Yeah, that'd have been a 5K turnaround. You already had it. You had it in the bag. Just take it.
Oh, he was on tilt yesterday.
He's on tilt right now.
He probably would be. I have to walk away after that. I was at 50K and I let that go. Oh, I gotta go. See y'all later. I'm out.
I gotta go, bro. Like, I can't even trade no more. I can't even talk to y'all. Like, bro, I'm out. I gotta go do something else because that was stupid, and I know it was stupid. Looks like the market is still trying to rally above this high, guys. Again, I should have just stuck to my original thesis of no short day. We're trying to rally and get above this high.
I'm opening up the shorts here though.
I ain't touching this shit until we get a breakout. We get it. We got to take a high or a low for me. Huh? We got to take a high or a low. When we take out that high, I'm interested in longs. We take out this low, then I'm interested in shorts.
Yeah, I'm trying to short here.
Okay. Oh boy.
Yeah, I'm still want to buy up. Put in a lower high here though.
I just think the market just wants higher, bro. Like it's.
I'm just looking at the 5 minute. We got the 2 5-minute rejections right there, but we could be holding here. I might stop myself out early. And now this 5 minute kind of closes.
I'd love to see it flush too. Believe me, I want lower prices to trade, but it just seems so hard for the market to pull back. They just keep buying. They just keep trapping the other side and going higher.
Yeah, we just ate up that entire candle right there. I'm out. Mm-hmm. I may look to re-enter, but
yeah, I tried it once and we got gobbled up so fast. I'm never trying shorts again today. It's not gonna happen. If the market wants to go down, I'm just gonna look to get long at the low. It's just the shorts are just so, they're just not playing out, right? So I was short, I was in profit, and that motherfucker just came back and cooked my ass. I said, oh hell no. That's what. Again, I'm not mad at the shorts. I agree with the area 100%. I agree with you guys 100% in the area. But it's the struggle. Look at how hard we're struggling to get. I mean, we're struggling to go higher too. Don't get me wrong. But I don't know. 950 macro didn't do shit. 930 macro didn't do shit. Let's see what happens at 1050. Again, we just got that big news, right? Like, I anticipate this consolidation, but damn, it's always difficult to sit through and just be annoyed by this shit. Look at that shit. Every time we try to sweep the low, right back up, right back up. I need something more definitive. I'm just going to be hands off for now until I get something a little bit more definitive. nobody's winning, right? Like unless you're long, you're just not winning. You just can't win in the shorts right now. Every time we come down to the low, we buy the market back aggressively. So that's going to continue to happen. It's just going to be one of those days where we're just going to try to find people to sell, right? And that's all the market's trying to do is find people to sell. And every time it finds more sellers, they pay with their liquidity. You get one short out of me, baby. One short out of me. The rest of the time, I'm looking for longs. Fuck that. Nope. All right, let's check on chat, man. We've been neglecting y'all. Okay, y'all ain't said nothing. Cool, everybody quiet. All right, the low open at 945, short above, we are going up for all-time highs. Above, we are going, okay, above. Okay, I got you. Below open at 945. Let me see, 945. Above the open, short above, we are going to all-time. I don't know what that means. I assume you mean that if by 945 we're below the open price, then we're looking for all-time highs, and then it's the opposite if the opposite is true. Didn't know y'all were in investor trade? We're not. I'm not. Justin is.
Yeah, I'm in investor trade.
I'm not in investor trade. I don't fuck with Carbine like that close. And the price he wanted, I thought about it, and I debated it. I was like, no, I'm not going. You both provide insights that help my trading by providing a different perspective and different trading strategy. Nice, man. Glad you like it, Ryan. Yeah, I just cannot short this market down here anymore. Like this, nope. I tried it once. To me, I think the market wants higher. The next area for shorts would be at 620. But if that's the case, I mean, we're 100 points away from that. We might as well just get long from here, right? So we got our sweep down to the low. Maybe we come back down and sweep that or retest that low one more time before we go higher. But I think we're going to 620 at this point. Every single pullback has been getting eaten up. Every single one. So more consolidation, more scaling out at the highs. Again, this is one of the reasons why the Discord fam was like, shit, when we got the rally candle, nobody wanted the rally candle. Everybody wanted the dump first. And you know why, right? Because once we take these highs, we're just going to consolidate. And the consolidation is, I wouldn't say it's hard to trade. It's hard to control your emotions inside of consolidation is what I would say. Like, I understand what's happening, but it's hard for me to fight the urge to want to sell when we're at supply, right? Like, I find that very difficult to do, right? Doesn't mean that I can't do it. It just means that when we're at supply after an aggressive push like that, like, I'm automatically thinking sell, right? When the reality is the market doesn't really give a shit about my thoughts. The market cares to facilitate price, right? And we got the sweep of the low, so now the market's trying to go higher and take out 547. So that's the thing that's important. It's just kind of trying to be a little bit more patient in that area. I took like 3-4 losses in a row right there, so I'm done with that account. I'm not gonna go back over there. I'm not even down that much, but I don't care to keep taking losses. I'd rather just reset my brain and just watch the market for a little bit. Consolidation is painful to sit through. Yeah, it is. It's painful. But again, you can't allow it to like ruin your emotional state, right? Like, I'm good, I'm relaxed, I'm chill, right? Like, no sweat off my back at all. It was a combine account, right? Like, I'm down, roughly about $400 on that account, right? But I'm glad I deleveraged to just trading one account versus 10, right? But now I get a chance to just watch the market do its thing, kind of reset my brain and say, okay, what am I doing wrong? And what I'm doing wrong is I'm continuing to fight the trend. The trend is up, it's not down, right? And the trend hasn't been broken. The new low sits beneath the CPI candle, right? So until we break below 394, the market is bullish, period, point blank, right? I get a little not confused. I get fallen into the idea that we may turn bearish up here, which is a good short, but I need to be out once we break this low if we're not going to continue lower, right? It's kind of what Justin was saying. He was like, you don't want to see price slow down, right? I'm okay with slowing down. I'm not okay with taking the high back, right? And we slowed down and took the high back with no pullback, right? And when that happens, like, you got to get out of the trade, right? And I did. I'm proud of myself for getting out of the trade, but I still took that fourth loss, and I was just like, nah, I'm good. I'm just going to transfer over to a different account, right? I'm not mad. I'm not upset. I'm not like emotionally scarred. Like, I'm good, right? I'm super good, right? Like, it's a red day for that account, but it's not a red day across 10 accounts. That's the key for me. Like, I'm glad I made that executive decision the other day. So for now, I'm just watching price. I really like the 5-minute demand zone we created. I'm hoping we come back there, but we need to break out of this supply zone, right? Even though we got more supply right above us, but we need to get out of this area. Damn, AMC and GameStop get wrecked right now. Gee, AMC is back down to $5. GameStop is back down to $32. Damn. Rug pull. I will be buying some AMC if it comes back down to $3 though. I'm just gonna tell you that right now. Oh, was he? I didn't watch it.
Roaring Kitty.
Oh, Roaring Kitty. Yeah, you little BCCH. All right, getting that push back into the 600s. I feel real stupid for shorting this market down here. Real stupid. Real stupid.
Yeah, the market's continuing to push up.
Mm-hmm.
What's this red line that I have? I have no idea what that red line is.
Roaring Kitty after he took his profits in 2 days. So long, sucker. You know what? I got a tinfoil hat theory, right? 100 orders sitting up there at 550, which is the high. So I got a tinfoil hat theory. I think we come and take that high, and then we come back down to this 5 minutes. I'd be okay with that. But I got a tinfoil hat theory for you guys, right? What if Roaring Kitty is not actually controlling his Twitter page? Think about it, right? He hasn't made an actual appearance, right? Like, he hasn't spoken like he used to do on YouTube, right? He's only been like putting out rare little tweets, right? What if the short sellers were looking for ways to get out of their position, but not making it seem like they were getting out of their position? So they rallied retail with the Roaring Kitty Twitter, right? They rallied retail with his Twitter, right? And then they're dumping it back on retail so they can short sell some more. They need somebody to sell the market to. Market manipulation at its finest. Yeah, that's what I said. I was like, I mean, a lot of people made money, but it also provided an opportunity for short sellers to get out of their positions too. Right? They needed somebody to buy to buy back from, right? Or to buy their shit back from them. So what better way to disguise that but getting Roaring Kitty? I mean, just randomly coming out after being like, you know, interviewed by the SEC, like, that's crazy, right? It's a little crazy.
I mean, all he's doing is posting memes. It's not like he's.
That's what I mean. Like, he's not actually talking. Like, that's why I find that a little strange.
It is weird because he's literally just posting memes. It's not like he's out here, you know.
All right, getting some aggressive selling coming into the market at these highs.
I don't think it's insider trading.
If they wanted Roaring Kitty, they just go get him. Yeah, if they wanted him, they just go get him. That's why I don't think Yeah, I just don't think that this is. I don't think that this is a true roaring kitty pump. I think that it's manipulated. That's just my opinion. You're short up here? Okay. Shorty. I think it's just a sweep to go higher. I don't think the market's going to leave this area without taking that high. So we'll see what happens. I'm still flat on this other account. I'm waiting, and I want to see if we come back down to this 5-minute demand zone. I got that marked out, but I really want to see us take out the 50s first. That will complete my thesis here for this demand. Actually, I'm actually cool with where we are right now. If we pull back into this area here, that'd be great.
What area are you looking at?
The same one that's on your screen. The green box on your screen.
Which I didn't see it because I wasn't watching the screen. This green box?
Your screen?
The one I just made?
You didn't see your screen?
No. I didn't. No, you said this area, and I wasn't looking at your screen, so I didn't
point
know.
To my area. I said this area, and then I know that you had the same area, so I said, yeah, the same area that's on your chart. The green box.
Okay, yeah.
The second green box, not the first.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, I was just looking at it. I was like, man, I like the shorts up here, but we're really, really bullish. And if we just sell straight back down to this area, then I'll look for longs right here.
Yeah, I'm not sure. Shorts are gonna come too fast. I feel like the shorts are gonna come too fast, right? They're gonna happen really quickly, and they're not gonna get a pullback. They're just gonna come straight down. They're just coming to clear liquidity to go back up. So I'd rather just wait for the longs. Yeah, it's gonna be a PM sessions type of day again. I'm not sure in this market. There's no way I'm doing it. It's off my things to do today. I will not be taking any more shorts. Not at all. Not at all. You long demand and get wrecked, bro. That's what it feels like, bro. Like, nah, I'm good. I know where I want to trade though, and that's what's more important. Like I have a plan for where I want to trade now, right? I'm definitely not participating in any consolidation crap, but I know exactly where I want to trade now. I just want the market to take out the 50s to further solidify that first box. If we take out the 50s, I'm looking at that first box you got right there, Jay, that green box.
Mm-hmm.
If we take out the 50s, I'll look to trade right there. But I would prefer that we come all the way back down. Maybe I don't go. Nah, I would like your first box right there. Yeah. Yeah. Who? Oh no, Valdez? Nah, he's not. Nah, he's saying it's a good little break. He don't want to watch the market right now. Mm-hmm. Apex still ain't giving me my damn account. That's a little weird. Mm-hmm. I even got the email that says your account is being activated. He said, no, not being activated. I got the account at 7 o'clock this morning Central. Said that your performance account is active, and I still don't have it. I did. I just did that because I was like, oh, okay, maybe I gotta log out. Yeah, I was like, maybe I gotta log out and log back in.
Yeah, it's like about ready to break.
I logged back in and still no PA account. So I'll email them and let them know, like, hey, it's been 90 minutes. I still don't have a PA account. Well, because that's what it says in the email. It says allow up to 90 minutes. It's been 2 hours. No. No. He's like, motherfucking taking notes on what time it's been. Like, nah, I just normally get it. My other ones normally come right away. That's why I'm like, I'm a little perplexed. I'm like, I just looked at it. I was like, do I have an Apex account yet? A PA? Another one? And I usually be there. That was 2.5 hours ago. Copy this email and be like, hey, bitch. Oh yeah. Like somebody YOLO 20 accounts for pass today. 100%. That definitely happened. Yeah, that's the only sucky part about how he trades and runs his Discord is he's sharing his thoughts intraday, but most of the people that join that pay that $500, they're probably all beginners, right? Yeah.
It's just a one-time,
but it's one-time.
No, it's a one-time fee.
It's one-time fee. Yeah, so it's a good price. Again, like I think for what he offers, it's a really good price. But most of the people that join, they're joining for his commentary, right? Because they want to just trade what he's looking at. So if he loses, but a lot of the time, honestly, like the losses that he took yesterday, he was probably in profit multiple times. So they could have just took profit, right? And like today, if they were in the same time he was in, right? Like they should have just took profit too. Like I should have took profit, but I was hoping for a pullback so I could get out. But that's what the market wants, right? It wants everybody squealing. That's kind of the short squeeze. What I should have done is just not shorted the market at all, right? Just waited for the direction, for the true direction, which was the long. And I even said it. I said I'm waiting for the sweep of this low. And I still ended up shorting the sweep and staying in the sweep. And it's because of my supply zone. My supply zone made me feel like it was a higher time frame supply, so we're going to come down from it, right? I know what the problem was. I make that mistake a lot, right? I'm trying to eliminate it just by staying in trend and just not taking the short. But it's kind of hard when I reprice well up there and I see the short, I take the short, I'm long, I'm in profit on the short, and then I give the profit back, right? So that's one thing that like just scalping that. And if I see red flags, get the fuck out. Especially when Justin sits up in his chair and be like, I'm liking it. When he say that, it's probably time to go, right? Like that's probably time to get the fuck up out of here. That's why I took early shorts. Good job, boy. Yeah, I should have, or that, right? I could have got into shorts earlier, which would have been a much better entry, and I could have got the 50 points a much sooner, right? So there's a lot of things I could have done better. But that's why we trade combine accounts, right? Like, why am I going to be upset about it? I didn't lose any cash, right? Like, I took 4 losses in a combine account. Like, this shit doesn't matter. Try again tomorrow, motherfucker. Like, that's the beauty of being improper, right? Like, I'm not going to let that shit affect my day whatsoever. Like, it's fine. Now, keep ranging. I don't want to be the one who gets swept. Are you in the shorts or the long? There's a few dope traders going off topic. Oh, yeah, that's true. That's true. It's true, Joe. iQuil says there's a few dope traders in the off topic, although they troll a lot. Justin, I guess he's talking about investment trade.
I don't know. I hardly spent any time in there, honestly. Yeah, like I'll check and see kind of what he did on the day, but other than that, I think. But like, here's the problem though. I don't care that Carmine puts his trades up on his Discord, because for him it's like an accountability thing, especially because there's a whole bunch of haters, right? So I think he does it kind of be like, look, nothing's in hindsight. Like I'm saying all this stuff real time, which is cool. I think the problem comes when people are copying his trades, because you're never going to get the same entry as him, right? Because when he types everything out. So by the time you see it, he's in and the market's already up, 2, 3, 4 points from where he's in. And then if you're trying to copy him, now you're getting a worse entry than he got. And then if you're waiting for him to say that he got out, again, he has to type it. So he's out, and then now you're left holding the bag, right? And so that's why sometimes he'll trade live, but I think that's an issue that you'll face if you're trying to copy him. So I think it's better if you're trying to learn, and this is for anybody, honestly. If you're trying to learn from what they've already done, not for what they're doing in the moment, right? Because the market repeats itself. So don't just try to copy the trades. Try to figure out why he's taking the trades, or why the person that you're following is taking the trades. That way you can turn it into why you're starting to take trades.
Exactly. Right? Education over verification, right? Like you would rather be educated than verify that you got the right entry that Carmine got. Right? You know what I mean? Like, fuck. Just learn, bro. You know what I mean? Like, verification over education. So
yeah, because a lot of people, they complain that a lot of people they complain about. Oh well, blah 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 blah. Like he got this entry and I didn't get it, and then he stopped out for a point and I stopped out for 5 points. It's like, yeah, motherfucker, because you took his trade and you took it late, and then you got out late because you was waiting on him to tell you what to do. Like that's your fault.
Another thing again for me, guys, just reviewing. Like another thing I struggle with, right? Like just to go back to me reviewing my day so far. Another thing I struggle with, and again, if somebody else is struggling with it, I'm just going to try to talk about it because, I mean, that's why we're here, right? This is the trader shop. This ain't the braggadocious all the time, right? Like it's, hey, learn from your wins, but learn more from your losses, right? So the other thing I struggle with is this candle right here. The bullish candle, I struggle with way more than I struggle with the bearish candle, right? Yesterday's bearish candle, I was completely okay with. When we go bullish like this, it's so hard for me when we're in supply not to want to short this, right? So one thing that I'm telling myself when I see this bullish candle is where did it come from? Where did the low come from? Don't target this as a long, but instead tell yourself, if we don't take this out, we're bullish. That's it. No matter how far this market trades down, I need to tell myself, if the low's not broken, we're bullish. Easy point blank period. Right? I did do some DJing shit over here in the background. I'm not gonna lie.
But you long the market?
I definitely long the market. But it was on a separate account. So, I mean, it's going to go to probably max profit on the day, but only because I was on some fuck you market. Then I'll just go long.
I honestly was about long in the market down at like 520, 530, but I
Shut up, Justin. Guess what my entry was?
520, 530.
519.25.
Yeah, when we pulled back there, I was looking for shorts, but I was like, man, the market's rounding up here. I don't think we're stopping. And I wanted to get back down to that low, but I was like, man, we're not coming back down there. So I was thinking about long. I didn't long it, but that's what I was thinking about. But I just was like, yeah, you know what? I don't want to. I don't know.
We're
really close to the high, and I was like, yeah.
I mean, I care, but I don't care. Like it's one of those. This was more of a revenge trade. So if it worked out, great. If it didn't work out, then, you know, this is not what I really wanted to do on the day. It was more like I'm pissed off. Not pissed off in a sense that I'm tilted. It's just, you know what? I got this account. It's kind of in the red. Let me take this trade because it looks really good over here. And then, you know, it's not a YOLO trade. It's still a good trade, but
yeah,
it's not something that I was ready to take in an account that I actually, you know, are working to actually get paid from. So.
He mentions all the time not taking trades. Yeah, he does. He does mention it, but you know, people are 100% gonna take them. But you know, he does mention
take this trade, right? Like 100%. But
yeah,
like,
he does say that.
Yeah, like in our Discord, we really try to focus on like the education over everything else, right? Like because it's like, bro, we educate you, right? And then you start to be better than us, right? Do we push you in the right direction? Yeah. But now we can all learn from each other, right? Like iron sharpens iron, right? Like all the time. Yeah, you know what? That's a good freaking point, Eichel. That's a good point. Maybe I'll add VWAP back to my charts for that reason, right? Because it does create a very nice target. Because I guarantee if I turn this freaking VWAP on, I bet we were probably right at VWAP when
a little bit below.
Yeah, like we probably had swept VWAP or something like that, right? So let me see. I don't normally have VWAP on my chart, but I think I'm going to add it back because, yep. I would have gotten out if I saw that. If I would have saw that and we just bounced right at VWAP, I probably would have got out as well. So yeah, thanks for that. I know Justin tells me all the time, but definitely probably need to add that back. But
when counter trend trading, I adjust target to V. Oh yeah, learn these news days. That's because we spike up doesn't mean we're going to retrace the entire move. Yeah, I think we got to like 65% of that candle.
Yeah, gotta keep the WAP. yeah, it was a lot of good reasons to potentially look for longs, but you know, once you get in your brain one direction, like you hear people, but you really don't hear people, right? Like you're like, yeah, I hear you, motherfucker, but I'm short in this market. You know what I mean? So yeah, it's all good. You live and you learn, right? Like
crazy trade, Chicago Sean. Good job.
In long from 476. Jesus. Get 100K account funded, playing no games today. Let's get it. Yeah, I've been long from 519, but I took a full mini. I should have took 2. Like it and done.
I should have acted on my analysis and taken the trade down there. I didn't.
You were hesitant.
Right? Like, I didn't bitch up. I just wanted to see it come back down and retest. And actually, to be honest, looking at this now, I actually got everything that I wanted. I don't know what I was thinking. It's unfortunate. Should have definitely taken this trade. Definitely some journal.
Yeah, how we just flushed straight back down yesterday. We scared the shit out of everybody. Yeah, I agree. Yeah, I'm out of this trade. Yeah. We but again, right, we can learn from this today already, right? And just get back on the horse, right? Now we know obviously the market wants up, right? So I'm gonna get rid of this supply zone. I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna leave it, not because I think it's supply, but it's good review when I do the market review. So I'm gonna leave that supply zone right there. But as we're heading into this macro at 1050 bullish, now I'm anticipating a nice push down to one of these 5-minute areas, right? I'd love a push back down to VWAP, right? It'd be great. God damn, NVIDIA. Shit. Oh my God.
Look at Apple.
Out of here, bro. Apple is gone. Apple might go to 200 this week. Wow. Yeah, just a slow grind all the way up, man. There's just no reason to look to short. Like you can look to short. I think they'll be short-lived. I just do. I think the shorts are going to come in. They're going to come in super fast, right? And then the market's going to pop right back up.
Yeah, I'm red on the day. I'm not looking to rush into anything else. I messed up. I think from now on, the one thing that I'll do, because I'm red more than what I should be, is instead of cutting my trade to invalidate it early, I'm just gonna let it play out. Because had I just done that, I wouldn't be as red as I am now. So.
Oh, because you took multiple swings at the bat.
Yeah. Yeah. And I let the second one go to full loss, and because it's one of those things where it's like, oh, okay, well I cut it early, but my trade's not invalid. I'm seeing what I want, so let me get back in. And then you let it invalidate you, and it's like, damn, I should have just let it invalidate me in the first place.
All the time, bro. That happened yesterday too, Joe. Remember yesterday you were in the short and then you cut it and that motherfucker flushed? I was like, damn, I know that feeling, bro. I know that feeling. That's true. All right, let me I got a couple that I'm about to go crazy on today if we come back down.
You talking about Apex? That's for the 250Ks though. Yeah, that's only for the 250K. Yeah, and I guess that's only for this week too. So you gotta buy the 250Ks, and then if you pass it this week, then it's only $85 to fund. Link down in the description. Code down in the description if you want to try your hand. Yeah, you want to try your hand at 250K. Link down in the description. It's $18 and it's $85 to fund. That's like a total of like $90 for a funded account, all in all. So you know what I'm saying? You know, try your luck. Come to the table. You know what I'm saying? Hey man, look, it was CPI day. This was the perfect day to get it funded. Yeah, you're right. So you gotta make, I think I gotta make like 15K or something like that. Mm-hmm. Yeah, but I mean, you gotta wait the 10 days anyway.
300. It's 300. I think the 300K you got to make 20,000.
I don't know what to
but
do.
Could you imagine having like 20 300K accounts and just printing on all of them every single day? It's nuts. Market's still rallying. Bro, we've had 20 minutes of straight green candles, straight buying.
Yeah, no pullback. This is an all-day push, bro. All-day push.
Yeah, I got another 5 minute demand that I'm watching.
I should have just paid my damn load.
Nope, still got to pay the 160 for the 50Ks. It's 160. It's 160. I don't know why they did that though. Honestly, we had all-time high in my broker. Damn. Yeah, I don't know why they did that. I think they should have done. I think they should have done that for the 50Ks, like half off for the 50Ks. Because honestly, I mean, well, nah, because then everybody would be passing them. I know why they did it, because they know a lot of people are gonna fail and try again. They enticing them. $30 points on 5 minis is 15K.
No, he's talking about for the 50K. I'm trying to pass another one of these motherfuckers today. I'm just waiting for price to come back down. Like,
yeah, I need price to retrace.
I'm not touching this shit. Hell no, we got to come back down. At this point, I love 539 on the 5 minute, 538 through 539 or through 521. I like that. So if we can just get some type of sign that we can pull back, I'll short down to it and then long it back up. 43. Oh yeah, we talking about the same area. That's why I said 539-ish area. Right. So you're talking like basically that. Yeah, you're talking like 4 points above where I'm talking about. Oh, I thought you said at 43. 48. I mean, if we come all the way down there, I'm getting short. if we were that's a reversal. Not a reversal, but that's a damn good pullback. I'm gonna get a piece of that short. That's damn sure. But I mean, that's 100 points from here. Like, fuck. Fuck. We come all the way back down there. I got to have it. But
I need us to pull back to 536. It's where I'm.
Yeah, I just want to pull back. Yeah, it's like 543 through roughly about 523. That 20-point range right there. 62. It's a lot. So there's all of these orders from 540 all the way down. But I'm more so looking at that area just structurally though, like not necessarily off the tape. I'm just looking at it from a structural standpoint, right? Like we broke this high right here at 532, but then we broke the ultimate high at 548, right? So like if we take that previous high and then the previous low, the swing point, right? It kind of brings us back down to where you're talking about at 497 area. That would be 50%, but I'm more so looking at 542 through 523 as being its own swing point, right? Like that started a new pivot for the price, right? That's a new swing point right there. So I'm looking at price coming back to that area 50%. I just feel like we've traded too far away from the fours to come all the way back down there. I think we come back and retest like 32 or something like that. That's what I'd be doing. But I got both of those areas marked. So whichever one comes back to, I'm cool with that. This is the dynamic uptrend though. I cannot believe I tried to short this shit. I can't believe it. Like I genuinely can't believe I tried to short this shit. Like I'm literally like in shock and awe. Like, you did what? Like that. Yeah, smoke. All right, here we come down. Yeah,
about to come down here.
Yeah, fuck that shit. We can come down. Look, fuck that. Nope. I see you, but I don't see you. I see you, but I don't see you. It's gonna be a PM type of day for me. Shorts look good right here. Again, but they've been looking good at the highs every time. So I'm not fucking touching them. I'll wait till price comes back down to get long. Get it out of my system, take the shorts on an account, on a different account. Nah, man, fuck it, bro. Let's get it right now. Let's get it right now, bro. You said take the shorts. Let's get it right now. No. We got to break a low first. If I even consider it. You live and you learn. Would have taken that long at 515 if I saw it on the 5. Yeah, it looked good. It looked good on the 5. That's why I took it. Did we just hit all-time highs? No. Maybe on QQQ, but not on futures. All-time highs is at 700. We did all-time high in my broker. Oh, on your broker? Okay. Ain't no pullback.
He's trading Forex though.
He might be trading ES as well. Oh no, yeah, he's trading Forex. Is ES at all-time highs? Did we get to 5,300?
No. We're at 5,300, but all-time highs is 53.30.
Oh, I know where their all-time high is. I was just, my second question was, did we hit 5,300?
Oh yeah. Well, we got up there.
Yeah, 53.39 is the all-time high, which I think we get to.
We need some type of pullback.
Look at the freaking.
We're like, you think we're running another 30 points today? Yes.
I don't think we're
30 points.
Okay. Yeah, I know. I'm looking at Justin like, bro, it's fucking 10. It's 11 o'clock and we've already ran fucking 16, 20 points. Yes, I absolutely believe ES can run another 40 points. You say what now? Oh, all-time highs. On ES, I think we go to all-time highs.
I don't think we get to all-time highs.
I think when we come back down, we go back up and go to all-time highs. Hey,
we're not going to all-time highs. Not today.
I don't think NQ hits all-time highs. I think it's possible. I think it's possible. I think it's possible. I
don't think we're going there.
I mean, bro, we talking about 140 points, bro. We talking about 140 points. We're not talking about much. We talking about 140 points from here. Right? We'll pull back one more time, and we go to all-time highs at close.
Bro, you talking about the market from CPI moving a total of 307 points. I'm not saying the market can't do it because it definitely can. We've done it
exactly
before.
What you're saying.
I'm just saying.
I know what I'm saying. You're the one saying. I'm not saying like, yeah, but you're actually saying that. That's exactly what you're saying. I'm talking about the market in the New York session being up 1.2%. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. From the market open in the New York session, and I don't care what happened in the pre-market. I'm talking about the New York session being up a total of 1.4%. That's what I'm talking about, which is a total of 260 points from low to high. How is that crazy? Like, y'all acting like I'm asking for like some huge move. Like 1.4% in the New York session is nothing for this market. We're currently up on the day 0.01% from yesterday. No, that's not right. Hang on.
We're at 0.8%
right?
on the day.
That might be right. Yeah, the change right now is 0.8%. We can't go up to 2% on the day. That's what y'all telling me? 2.2% is crazy? Come on, guys. Come on. I'm not the crazy one here. Like, the market can't move another 140 points on NQ that already has all of the data that it needs, right? And they've been buying all fucking week. Like, why couldn't we go higher? Like, give me that thesis. Give me the reason why you think it won't go. I gave my thesis. What's your reason why it won't go? Besides your opinion. I'm giving a thesis here. I'm giving data to back it up. What's your opinion? Besides your feelings, Justin.
I mean, that's all I got. No, my feeling is that we're not going to go high. We're not going to get that high.
Case closed in.
I mean, we got to. I mean, I guess we do have 2 supply zones we got to get through in that time as well. So,
we got one. Well, for me, we got one. For supply zones are subjective. So, for me, we got one. We're already through the first one, and then we got the next one, and that one takes us to all-time highs. But I mean, that's not a factual reason. That's a subjective reason. Supply zones are really based off subjective reasoning.
I got a 2-hour supply zone at
Market don't care about your supply.
At 118,593, and there's we got a lot of support or resistance up here, so the market's rejected a lot right there. So I think it's gonna be hard to get through. That's all.
Justin, what? You see where the market just came from at the supply zone that we both were trying to short right now?
Yeah.
How many times the market reject this shit?
Just one other, two other times.
How many times did it reject the one that you're talking about right now?
3 times.
So it rejected this area one more time than it rejected the other one, and we just ran through that area in like it was butter. So what makes the next area more stronger than the previous area we just ran through with like a fucking Ginsu knife?
Because we're coming up here with not as much volume. I mean, obviously it's the end of we're getting to the afternoon session, so the participation isn't as heavy. So I think it could cause a little bit of resistance. So
no, don't say that. That's all. Get through there. See, you start with this super confident we're not going up there, and then when I start,
no. I think we're gonna go up there. I just think that could be where we end up rejecting.
That's it. I mean, it's not a big deal. I mean, if we get there, we get there. But that's it.
No. I think we're gonna get up there. I think the likelihood that we get up to 593 is very high. I just think that we're not going to be able to break through this 593 to 625 area. I think that area is gonna. I think that's the area where the market will be able to break.
Based off your logic, you don't think the market's capable of breaking through 40 more points from here
today? Yeah, I think this is going to be the area where we struggle.
I ain't done it. All right. Today pretty much focused on the combines. 1 combine pass, 2 under 1K left to pass. I hit daily loss. I think I'm done because my wife is just calling. My guys can't even concentrate. All right, bro. Take it easy, man. Yeah, like for me, I think the market's just getting started, Jay. I think we built 1 hour demand on ES, right? That rally candle that we put in for CPI. And then the full morning was just a basing candle. So if we're gonna rally from here, I seriously doubt if the rally candle is only gonna be 1 hour candle, right? It's usually 2 or 3. So that's my thesis on us going even higher based off the fact that we just built demand here. We basically just took out all of the sellers that were here. It's 11 o'clock. It's 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock on the Central Time, 11 o'clock on the East Coast. The market can definitely run another 40 to 50 points. Like, I think that's ridiculous to think that we can't go up 30 points by the end of the day. That's crazy. Especially looking at this tape right now. And NVIDIA is continuing to push. Microsoft is continuing to push. I see no reason for the buying to stop. So yeah, I think we see all-time highs today. No pullbacks. Yeah, we're going. What'd you say, 93? What's the level we was going to struggle at? All right, let's see what happens in 20 more
in the area.
If we sweep the mini range in a 1 minute, I will short. I'm not shorting this shit until these buyers slow the fuck down. They are on a different level today. Can fund an account in 1 day without breaking a rule on Top Step? No, you have to fund it in 2 days. You have to do it evenly. 40% or 50% rule apply. So you can't fund it in 1 day. You can fund it in 2 though. ATR NQ is 250 points. We only hit 188. Exactly. I know what I'm talking about. Like, I know exactly what I'm talking about. I just like to hear other people's logic. I know what I'm talking about. right? Like I'm not doing it based off my opinion. I'm doing it based off factual movement of NQ, right? Like NQ moves on a daily basis. We move between 1.4 and 2% on an average, and that's during the New York session. If we're not in consolidation, but if we're going up or down, we move 1 to 2%, guaranteed, right? Not guaranteed, but usually that's the range, right? Like that's the range. And that's between 250 and 300 points. So to say during the New York session, there's no way we're getting up 260 points, I think it's crazy. I think the market could definitely get up there. But he's also not talking about just the New York session, right? So I understand his thesis, right? He's talking about the fact that CPI ran 100 points before the New York session started, right? So he's like, well, the buyers are most likely exhausted headed into the New York session. That's his opinion, right? And I get that, right? Like I'm not discrediting that. I just don't agree with it. And he doesn't agree with my opinion. So we'll see what happens. It doesn't matter here nor there. Like bottom line, I'm not longing the market up here until we pull back. And I'm not shorting the market up here because I'm scared. Right? I've been bruised by the market today, so I'm good. Just gonna wait. We only hit 188. Yeah. I think NQ can hit 708. Yeah. I think so too. I think we can get above all-time highs. I'm not guaranteeing it or anything like that, but I think today it's in the cards, right? If it's not in the cards today, it's damn sure in the cards for the rest by the end of the week. I mean, when I put it into my top-down analysis, I said by the end of the week we could probably be at 19K, right? And so far, we're rallying toward that direction, right? I think the market has another 500 points in it by Friday. So we'll see what happens though. See if they responded to me about it.
Good Lord.
Message not delivered. Figured that much.
This market has no chill.
I don't know what to do, man. I still haven't got my freaking account from Apex. That's weird. Let's see if I can contact them. I thought I was tripping. I'm like, okay, well, I see these two, but I don't see the other one. All right, help this. There we go. Yeah, there's really nothing for me to do right now, guys. I mean, we just sit here and wait at this point. And what's what? Help this. Is the indicator in the house? Nah, he took a break today. We gave him a bunch of shit this morning. We haven't heard from him since. He did say buy and hold today. That's what he said.
Which he was right.
Which I did not listen to, and I got wrecked. I didn't get wrecked, but I'm done trading on that account today. And this is another lesson, guys. Like, just because you have a bad day and you start off bad, you don't have to continue to make it bad, right? Like, anytime I'm down $200 to $300, I just walk away, right? Like, especially if it's before 10 o'clock, right? Like, I just walk away. Like, the account will be there tomorrow, right? I can continue to build and pay that cheap ass fee month after month. Take the information and go back to the drawing board, right? Not to the drawing board. I know what I did wrong. I know exactly what I did wrong. I do what I always do, when we're in supply, I look to short, right? And if the short ain't shorting, you gotta fuck supply. The market don't care about that shit. Not on a day like today, right? So, and again, I was telling myself all of that, but it was hard for me to believe it, right? So that's why, yeah. Elective where we have successfully addressed the data related. Okay, the article. Where can I go to just talk to somebody or send an email? Contact us.
Yeah. That
all the way down in the bottom of the little blue box. All inquiries about us saying account number.
That's so
I have
weird.
evaluation accounts. I have a question. I've passed my evaluation. I have a question. Yes. Email address.
Yeah, we're just continuing to rally. Every single pullback is just getting 8 up.
Account. Not. EA account. Bro, we're continuing to rally. I'm telling you, bro, this is one of those days. Not VCU.
Damn. Tough.
Mm-hmm. It goes 591. We'll do that shit before lunch.
You seen that IQUIL? Dylan just got stopped out of his short for $7,800.
Oh my god, no! Why does it keep again? Time out, Jay. Like, look, hold up, Jay.
What's up?
Is this not Carmine's Achilles heel day?
Well, that was Dylan. Dylan got stopped out.
Oh, this is his. They don't trade kind of the same.
Yeah, but Dylan, he, you know what's crazy? Again, Dylan was saying like people are DMing him asking him where his stop is because obviously they're in the same trade that he's in, and he was like he basically was like my risk is managed. Like I know where I stop out at. Like put your stop where you feel like you should put it. Don't put your stop based off of my stop. Be like, I'll let you know when I get stopped out. But yeah, I mean, I get it, Chicago Sean, like trade the trend. Like, yeah, you should trade the trend, but at the same time though, I don't know. I just feel like it's very easy when people say trade the trend, but then when the reversal hits, you know what I'm saying? It's like, oh man, you just caught a banger reversal. Because like at the end of the day, reversals are gonna pay better than trending trades will pay. To a certain extent, right? Like if you catch the reversal, the risk is going to be a lot lower depending on how you're trading it, right? It all just depends on your trading style. Like for me, I was trying to short the market because I missed the long, and I was hoping that we were going to end up that this was going to materialize to be a lower high here, and we were going to continue going lower, right? And I just kind of messed up, and I took like 2 losses. After that, I was like, all right, I'm not trying to short this market anymore. Like we're rallying. I missed the long here that I had planned out. And I can't look to short it here now. But now we're in an area again where I would be looking to potentially short the market. But with all this strength, right? I think what a lot of people, what a lot of traders are thinking right now is, okay, the market's going higher, higher, higher. It's gonna keep going, right? At some point we gotta pull back. And at some point, I don't think this thing like full on reverses, but I think a scalp short here could end up working out if the right conditions present themselves. But I would want to see the volatility pick up. Like there's a lot of things I would need to see. Like right now, I'm not trying to short this strength. Like I'm just not. I think it's a death trap for shorts, but I think that shorts could work out for a short time, right? Like you might be able to get, I mean, look, the market has rallied like what, 100 and I think like 60 points from the low or some shit like that. 150 points from the low.
So we're not in this shit. We ain't watching this motherfucker keep going. We ain't watching this motherfucker keep going. You can't believe I couldn't find an entry. Well, you don't know how I trade. Then you know why I couldn't find a damn entry.
But at some point, the market's going to come back down, though. We're going to retrace at least like 50 points of this at some point.
I ignored this shit 150 points, 70 points ago. This shit was off my radar 70 points ago. I I'm over here trying to email Apex and figure out what the F is going on with my damn PA account. Like, it's not being added to the squad here. So I'm over here taking screenshots in the background.
It's not being added to the squad. PD is trying a short. I like the short. I like the short here. It's a little bit early. The market hasn't really broken down yet, but
so this is 300 supply orders at 600. I don't think they want price to go above 600. At least not today. The motherfuckers are like, all right. Yeah, I'm not fucking with these shorts until they get until the market. I really don't even want to fuck with shorts, honestly. Like, I can't even think of a reason why I want a short. I'm just like, nah, I'll wait. Yeah.
He said, yeah, I don't care.
Yeah, I don't.
That was that. Yeah, I don't care.
I don't care. I'm taking screenshots right now of
And then Chicago Sean says, y'all hit the like button. Yeah, y'all hit the like button.
Appreciate y'all, man. Appreciate y'all. Do that.
But yeah, I can't get long up here. It's shorter than nothing. And it's gonna be a short for a scalp, not like I think the market may be able to get back down to 535. That's what I would be targeting on the scalp.
Yeah, I like 550 on the tape. You see that liquidity at 550?
Let me look. Oh yeah.
I think we can come back down there. That's why I'll be looking.
But here come these bulls yet again.
The stocks are rallying, man. Like the whole squad is on the team. So, yeah.
Here's another strong move to the upside. If this fails, it could be good. Could be good. But if we continue rallying, then
I think the problem is like for us as reversal traders, especially like, newer traders. I'm not saying that we're just like, we're not fucking green as hell, but the problem is like when you miss the initial move, right? You're naturally, right? Like your emotions want to participate in price because you know that there's an opportunity. Now, the market's already rallied 100 points, so most people, right? Most humans say, okay, path of least resistance has to be back to the downside. It can't be to the upside, right? So when we come into the market thinking that way, what are we looking to do most likely, right? We're looking to reverse the market. So any little thing we see, right? Even though we know we should be waiting for a bucket structure, we should be waiting for a low to break, we should be waiting for a retest, even though we know all the rules on why we should be looking to short the market, we still do it. Why? Because of the area, because of the FOMO, right? The fear of missing out again. We should call it FOMO, right? The fear of missing out again, right? The fear of not getting into this trade and then it actually performing. Then we remember what happened yesterday. We didn't get into the trade and it dumped, right? So maybe it'll happen again, right? All of that mixed in allows you to forget about logic and focus on the emotion of potentially getting a winning trade, right? And I think, at least for me, that's what happens to me up there, right? Like, that's just me being as real as possible. Ultimately, the low was not taken. There was no low taken out. We should not have been looking for shorts, or at least the way that I trade, I should not have been looking for shorts whatsoever. There was no low taken. The low that tried to get taken, we immediately bought it back up, right? So that's why I'm frustrated with myself, right? So that's just me, right? Like that's how I'm looking at it, and at this point, like there's nothing for me to do here. Like I'm this is not how I trade. I'm not going to participate in a continuation move all the way back up. Like I think at some point we come down. I like a lot of orders up there, but the market just keeps buying. So it ain't shit for me to do. I'm sending emails like Valdez says. I got work to do in the background. I'm sending fucking emails right now.
Yeah, I'm just chilling. I'm just waiting for my trend line to break, honestly. And then I want to see what we do. I'll show y'all. We're in my supply zone. I like what I'm seeing on the tape. I'm starting to see like some exhaustion. Yeah, and that liquidity that they tapped it at 600 briefly for a second, and they didn't get above it. So I'm just gonna wait, see if we end up breaking this trend, breaking this low, potentially coming back up, putting in that inverse head and shoulders, and I'll look for a quick scalp to the downside. I'm looking for 535 potentially, but 50 60 is an area where might have some problems just because we found some support there. We've just been stair stepping our way up this entire time. I think the market has to come down. All right, cool. Be easy. Red on the 15 minute, so tiny. Yeah. I mean, I think we're gonna pull back. But I need to see us break some. I need to. We're breaking this trend line now. This is an area of interest for me. So we'll see what happens. I'm just gonna be patient.
All right, emails sent.
Up a measly 250 on ES. I mean, hey, that's better than being down 250. Could be down. I'm down 250 on the day. But yeah, this is about being patient. I just don't want to be the first seller here.
Yeah, I want to see us take that liquidity up there at 600. Before I even do anything, even consider the longs. I mean, shorts. If we take that liquidity, I'm very interested to see how the market reacts to taking it. All right, all emails sent. I can get rid of these screenshots now and get back to the show. I don't like when I pay for something and I don't get my product. I don't like that at all. 6 swing, but waiting another one before shorting. Yeah, I just sent them an email. Yeah, I know. I know. That's why I was like, I paid, I signed, and they sent me an email saying it's created. But then when I go into Apex, into the PA accounts, like that account's not there. Right? But all of the other accounts are there.
Did you go into Tradeovate and seeing if it was in there?
Jay, how else am I going to know it's not there?
I was just asking. You said you went to Apex.
No, I went to. Well, the reason why I went to Apex is because I went to Tradeovate to try to trade it, and it's not there. So I went to Apex to start doing an investigation, and it shows that I passed. It shows that I have a certificate, but it doesn't show that the account is available inside of the PA charts, right? It's just not there, but it's there inside of the eval charts. It's passed. So I think it's just lost in the sauce somewhere. Did they feel that? Oh yeah, they filled it. Okay.
Yeah, they just filled it.
This is what
they just filled it.
This is what I want to know right here. Are we gonna fill this and do something with it, or what? That's what I want to know. Or are we going to continue to go higher?
That is the question. I'm not touching this until we hit supply at 631, 690. Yeah, we're at my supply right now, so.
I just want to see some aggressive selling coming in. And then a retest. That's all I want. We don't get that. I'm looking at this as consolidation to go higher. More price acceptance. Yeah, Microsoft is continuing to rally. Nvidia is not pulling back. The only thing that's dumping is Tesla, and that thing is inverse the market. ES is still rallying. Like I just don't see it. I just don't see it. I want to see it. I want to know that they feel that liquidity and they're gonna actually like sell, but I don't see any sellers coming in. Do you? I see more buying. I see more buying coming in. So maybe we get some sellers. I'd love to see some sellers, but I just don't see them.
Yeah, I'm not seeing anything that would make me want to store it just yet.
Which makes me believe they're probably going to try to run it 625 too. So.
Yeah, man, ES popped up. Jesus.
15 more points to all-time high. Still think you can't get the all-time highs today, Jay? Still holding true to that?
Yeah, I'm still holding true.
It's down from 33 points to 18 more points. I don't think we came up here to just sit up here. I think we came up here to fucking make a statement to the Bears. The statement is, sit y'all ass down.
Yeah, we are holding the trend line. Might have to adjust it again if we break this high.
No chill, bro. No chill.
Had 53.08 long 14 minutes ago. Sold it for 53.11. Eesh.
Okay. I mean, I had longs at 516 and sold it when we got up to 564, but I'm happy with that. Like, that's a good trade. It's a 50-point move, right? Like, just be happy with what you got, man. You don't have to catch the whole
thing. Nice job, Chicago Sean. Who's shorting GME? Make sure you hit Andrew Tate's stop. Yeah.
He ain't got no stop. He YOLOing that shit. He ain't got no stop.
That was a donation. It was a gift. It was a gift donation. Yeah, looks like we're consolidating up here at these highs. Maybe go higher. Who knows? Left 5 points on the table. Yeah, but you could have known that. Where'd you say you got it? You got in at 53.08. Oh, yeah. That sure wasn't a bad entry. You got in on the pullback. It's not bad. I don't know, man. Are you trading on Apex? Or are you trading on or are you trading on what's it called? Top Step or a different prop firm? Or imagine if Roaring Kitty flipped the script first. One is the bull run, this time a crash. We already crashed. We're already damn near in the dirt. Where else can we go?
Why would he flip it for a crash? The motherfucker was already in the dirt. I mean, compared to $400 where it was trading at, this is a crash.
Yeah.
Like, this is a crash.
Okay. Gotcha. Yeah, so scalping makes sense if you're on Apex. Sometimes it's a little harder to hold. But yeah, Void. Yeah, he ain't flipping no scripts. All right, here comes some selling.
Finally. Fuck me. Thank God. Shit. Everybody's all relieved, like, selling. Damn. Like, fucking go down, Rocky. And stay down, Rocky. Shit.
Are you in short? Yeah, yeah, there definitely was some weakness up here. Watch that 9 EMA. Let's see. Yeah, we're below the 9.
That's how I be getting cooked, man. Don't trade like me, y'all. Like, don't try this shit at home. Don't try this shit at home.
Yeah, but now the market's got to break below that previous low.
Shit. That one seller That one seller came into the market. You know how many people just got short right there? Like, I'm short finally. I guarantee you, Carmine's short right now. I guarantee you he's short right now. I hope he get rewarded, but damn, I guarantee that motherfucker's short right now.
He didn't say he's short. So.
I like the shorts too. Valdez. Yeah, I'm hungry, man. I'm fucking hungry. That's another thing I ain't do yet. I ain't ate. This shit busting right now.
Hugging the 9. That low holding. Yeah, it is holding. Still one more swing to come, but I was wrong. Yeah, I think I'm hoping we break this low. We come back up, put in the lower high, and then I'll look to take the market short. I just didn't want to enter the market too early. Hopefully, I don't pay for that, but with an opportunity. But we'll see. I want to see the market
drops right now. I said, yeah, this would suck if it just drops right now. I'm like, bro.
yeah, I would definitely be a little upset if we just. I at that point, I think I'm if we just drop down without a pullback, I'm done. I'm just, it's just not my day.
No, don't be done, bro. Don't be done. Just wait till PM session, and if you don't have anything to do, just wait for your retest of the low. Last time you left, you missed a 100-point move.
Oh, I was in that move. I just got stopped out.
Yeah, and then you left. You could have
Yeah, I did leave. Oh, I didn't do the PM session anyway. Oh man.
Bro, these Bulls ain't trying.
It's not looking good. I'm watching this. I'm like, oh
shit. I'm looking at the tape. I'm like, bro. That's why I said, think about how many people just got short right there, and how many people probably about to get smoked. Hook, line, and sinker, bro.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. So my original stop was below that. Was below your stop. My original stop was at like 90, and I actually ended up moving it up to. To right above where your stop was, but I kind of messed up because I meant for it to be a tick lower, and yeah, it wasn't. But yeah, my original stop was actually lower than yours. I just moved it up, which was probably a mistake, honestly.
Boy, what you worried about sponsorships into the Discord for? You say you can't join the Discord.
Huh? Yeah. Yeah, I mean, I think I got it a little bit before you.
We're actually going to reverse. That selling was not convincing.
Yeah, and I'm liking what I'm potentially seeing here on the tape, though. If the selling starts, I'm liking what I'm potentially seeing, but the selling's got to go. If the selling doesn't go here, then we're probably heading. We're going to continue to go up. This is the seller's opportunity right here.
Yeah, they need to stop this high from coming in. If they reject this high, I'll get in, but it doesn't look like they want to. Or buying.
Yeah, we're
high 603.
It looks like we're about to continue to push up. Yeah, the high is 602.
That's when I thought we had an opportunity right there.
I know, me too. I'm like, dang, man, the sellers are about to take this over. At least bring us back down.
Yeah, they still haven't taken out that buyer that came in right there. Yeah. That seller that came in at 600. That's what I want. the market can't take him out, then I'm interested in shorting this market. I'm gonna get short on the break of this candle if it comes down here. I like that lower high we just put in right there. Just want to see him get below this liquidity right here without that fucking happening. Jesus. These buyers just keep adding more and more liquidity. Oh, no.
Yeah, I like what I saw. I just wanted to wait and see what this candle started to kind of do. But Jesus Christ.
You don't have a Visa card to pay in WAP? Oh, I thought you said you couldn't get it in the country that you were in.
We do.
You don't have to pay with a Visa
PayPal.
card in WAP. You can pay with PayPal in WAP.
Yes,
again,
we accept the PayPal.
The WAP accepts damn near everything. Low key. You can pay with damn near everything on the WAP. Bro, I had spaghetti. I'm cooking spaghetti today too. Some more chicken parm. It's been requested by the fam.
Oh my God. These buyers are really trying right here. I want to get in short, but good Lord. They are not pushing down below that low.
They snatching souls up here, bro.
Here's another attempt to go higher, though. If this fails,
if we can break below 92, I'm interested.
That's exactly what I'm looking at. Like that wick at 93.
Yeah,
I like the defense,
like
but
92,
then
93, but we just keep going higher. Look at this shit. Look at the fucking wick at 80.
That invalidates that.
Keep going higher, bro.
Oh my
Not
God.
going down. So I said, like, they just keep setting traps in the middle of these trends because everybody's waiting on the sell-off, and the market just keeps going higher. That's why I'm saving my tokens, bro. I already know what this is.
Don't worry about it, Emmett. We're definitely not. We're not fighting the trend here. Like we understand.
We're not
we
understand.
We understand the bulls are. Yeah, we understand the bulls are winning this right now. But you got to take the opportunities when they come, right? Like we're really high up right now. We've had like no massive pullbacks. I mean, look at the 5 minute.
Mm-hmm.
We've been doing nothing but going straight up for like 2 hours now. Like the market has to pull back at some point, but I'm not gonna fight it. I'm not just gonna enter short because there's a couple of red candles. Like that's not enough. But
I need more.
We can't discuss the opportunity to potentially take the market short on a scalp because we understand that, right? Like, but we're not. But we know what's going on. The only person who shorted this was Valdez, by the way. Just throwing him under the bus real fast.
The only person that shorted this shit is Valdez, by the way. Yeah,
okay. But yeah, this right here was a pretty big failure right here to go higher.
We took that high again. Let's see if we actually want to push down this time. Yeah, right? Can we break this low down? Yeah, I'm not fighting the bulls, and I'm focused on the area where we are. Like the bullish run is over. It's not over, but it's coming to a close, right? Like you can see that the bulls are very much in control, but at the same time, that doesn't mean that you can't look to play the opposite direction on an opportunity. But I just need more from the market to try to get short. I'm 100% not looking to long the market. That's not gonna happen. Like I'm just not gonna do it. Like I'm not doing that. I'm just not doing it. And the market knows that, and I'm aware of that, right? But I'll just wait. Right now, the bulls just continue to be in control. If they're going to continue to be in control, I'm just going to continue to sit on my hand.
Yep.
Yeah, being patient up here. Bulls are continuing to buy.
Price acceptance. This is not rejection. This is price acceptance. As shocked as I am that we're getting price acceptance at another supply zone, that's what it is. Like that this is not a bearish sentiment. This is a bullish sentiment. Right? Like there's nothing bearish about what's happening up here. Nothing. Every single pullback is getting eaten up. So if that's the case, then I'm not going to short the market up here. We got one fucking red candle and that shit became a huge buy wick. So this looks exactly like it did at the low at the previous supply zone. If the market wants to go higher, then I'm just going to fucking walk away. I'm not going to fucking trade this shit all the way up there because I don't feel comfortable doing that. In order for me to get long, I need the market to pull back. So I'm either going to play the pullback opportunity or I'm just going to do nothing. And right now, it feels like a do nothing type of situation. Another potential rejection here on the 1 minute.
Yeah, I'm still liking these shorts up here. It's just, I just want to see us break 592. If we break 592, I'll probably get in. We just stabbed 592, but we like immediately started to push right back up.
We're consolidating. We're accepting price up here. I'm not shorting this market until this market breaks structure. This market breaks structure, then I'll get in. Well, I mean, you want us to talk about long? In a long. What do you want me to discuss up here? You want me to discuss entering the longs up here? I'm not. But
all right,
I think this is the area. I think it's the area that you could potentially. Yeah, you know what I mean? Like, like y'all talking about shorts again? Like, yeah, I'm not sure this shit. I'm not logging this shit all the way. Fuck no. That's all. I mean, that's basically what the move is, though, right? Like, get long at the high, and then hope somebody buys higher. See y'all boys tomorrow. All right, brother, take it easy, man. You short? Okay, boy. Are they though? Let's see what happens at this low. Let's see what happens at this low. This is either the short or another higher low we put in. These motherfuckers playing with their food up here. I have no desire to fuck around and find out. 100% need to log off. This is just, I'm telling you, bro, like I knew this was a day. This just felt like one of those days where it was a recipe for everybody's going to be looking to get short at every opportunity, and the market's waiting on that shit. And the market's just burning every short. And it knows it can do it because if you think about it, like everybody's at least expecting a pullback, including me. But the yeah, I'm like, yo, if everybody's trying to get short, which way do you think the market's gonna go? Right? Like that's why I just stopped. I was like, I'm not fucking short this shit. I want to get short, but I'm just not. I'm not. I'm just gonna go against my better judgment because the me that I know will short this shit all goddamn day. The tilted me will be looking to short this shit all day, and guess what? All day I'm gonna be wrong. All day. All fucking day. And the one time I'm right, I'll be like, see, I knew the shorts was coming in. It's like, yeah, but are you really right if you out of tokens by the time we get up here? You've been shorting this shit all day? Like, nah, I'm good, bro. I already know where this goes. Like, if I don't get in at an area that I deem important, which I have an area marked out that I deem important to long the market, I don't really give a fuck about the short areas. Like, I just don't care anymore. Like, at this point, I expect the market to take out the highs, right? And because I'm not in at the low, I don't feel comfortable getting in at these highs. So, I mean, the only other thing is to do is to discuss the potential short opportunity, but I don't think it's going to play out. And I ain't hating on nobody trade. I just don't think it's going to play out because the market has yet to cool the fuck off. Nothing's calmed down, right? NVIDIA is still pushing. Microsoft still pushing. Google still pushing. Meta still pushing. Amazon still pushing. ES still holding the high. I just don't see the edge to get short, so I'm just not going to do it. There's no edge here. There's only a little bit of aggressive selling on the tape, but it's all being absorbed at the lows. It's like a 5. It ain't even a good scalp. It's like 5-10 points. This shit coming right back up. They buying the fuck out this shit, bro. Like, I'm not fucking with it, bro. Like, no. All right, you gonna be 15. You gonna be 15. Yeah, he gonna tilt y'all. Yeah, Nvidia just double top. Let me take a look at it. On what time frame? The 1 minute? Yep.
Oh, what on
exactly what they was doing. Oh, you talking
about
yeah. They knew exactly what they was doing. They liquidating motherfuckers left and right. Smoke. Go ahead and short the market. It ain't even shaky. It's just nobody wants to believe that we can go higher, right? That's the thing. Like, nobody wants to believe we can go higher, and the market knows that shit. Reversal traders don't want to long up here. Continuation traders don't want to get long up here, right? Only people that are making like big money. I shouldn't say the only people. I say people that understand that the trend until broken is the fucking winner. I don't care if you scalp. I don't care if you're a reversal trader. It doesn't matter. As long as you're trading the trend, you're going to keep winning, right? And that's what I failed to do this morning. And that's why I'm, upset with myself. It's like, oh, okay, well, I tried to trade short. It didn't work out. And then I missed the long, right? And I said, okay, I missed the long because I was in the fucking short. I was in the scalp, right? And then I held the scalp too long. So I took the loss, and then the market never pulled back. So I'm like, well, shit, I just missed it, And there's nothing wrong with that. Like, that's okay. You can make mistakes, right? Like, what you can't do is then turn around and do this shit all day, right? Like, I'm not gonna short this market all day. I'm not gonna do it. For what? When the market has not proven to me that it can break a low. If it continues to make higher highs and higher lows and then consolidate after taking higher highs, what's that telling you? It's telling you the market's trying to go lower. It's trying to go higher. So until the market breaks this trend, I gotta believe it. I gotta believe that this trend can continue. So those are my thoughts. I won't be longing up here because I think the trend ends at some fucking point, right? And then I have an area where like, I know what's gonna happen the minute I get long. Then I'm gonna be like, why am I long up here? Why am I getting long at the fucking top? Which leads me to my last point. Chill, relax. The market ain't going nowhere. Like, yeah, does it suck that I missed the opportunity? Yes, it fucking blows. It sucks. But what will also suck if I didn't go back in and go blow the account, right? Then go to another account, try to short some more and blow that motherfucker, right? Now I got a problem. You know what I'm saying? Now there's a problem on my hands, right? Like, no, I'm just gonna wait. I know where this goes because I'm telling y'all true stories, right? I'm not telling y'all some shit that I'm just making up. And I know y'all feel me because y'all traders and y'all prop firm traders. So I know y'all been here, right? I'm just done taking myself there, right? Like, I don't need to go there. For what? Where's the benefit in that? My life changed when I went from always looking for a reversal to just looking for entries with the trend. Yep, I agree, Hayes. The trend is your friend. I say it all the time. You'll be shorting your account. Yeah, exactly. You'll be shorting all day, bro. Like, nah, man, I'm not seeing it. I'm not seeing any case for bears up here. But I also can't get long up here, right? That's just how I trade, right? Like, I understand somebody that could get this sweep right here inside of this consolidation and say, all right, I'm getting long. The reason why I can't get long is because I don't know how far this shit's gonna go after that. And I'm not gonna be able to justify that trade with the way that I trade. That's why I'm not getting long. But I'm not getting short because nothing's changed, right? The candles are getting smaller and they look better, right? We're getting a bunch of dojis on the 15-minute, right? It's looking weak up here. I need to see it break. Fuck all that. You ain't getting me. Nope. Yeah, no, I mean we capitalized on it yesterday. Like we did really well. We capitalized on it on the week. I'm still not red on the week. Still not red on the month. I'm doing well. I'm just making some little older mistakes that I haven't made in a while. So I need to go back and clean those up. That's all. Nothing's changed.
Well, can you not say it like that? Can you not say it like that?
You in the wrong place to say shit like that.
And who's the culprit? Who blew your back out?
You forgot where you at, bro. You know you can't say that in here. Hey, yo.
Oh, did he blow your back out?
Man, bro, you got some you got a heating pad and some Motrin? Yeah.
You've been rolling on some hard balls. You've been rolling on some hard balls too. It's a hard knock life.
Do you have a roller with the spikes on it? Yeah, that's what I use. I use mine doesn't have the spikes on it because my back is like really fucked up surgically. But yeah, you know how it is. Welcome to the
Hey man, y'all saying it, not us. You out here saying you got your back blown out. You over here and you've been rolling on balls. Man, what is going on?
You did say that. I have to diddy your ass on that one too. You did say that.
Oh my god.
What in the freak neat?
Oh my god.
What
bro, I'm over here. I'm over here. Going on? Yeah. Dying. What in the diddy is going on here? Giggity. Man, talk about being in pain, yo. I was in some pain.
Don't say was. This motherfucker ain't left this area.
Yeah, I'm still in pain. I'm still down.
Don't say
bro,
was.
My P&L just turned back to being green, bro. I'm sitting here like, damn, man.
This motherfucker has no chill. Here's your opportunity. Last chance. Marcus like, last chance, fucker, before we take off. Last chance. Marcus said, was in pain. What the fuck you talking about? We ain't done. Squeal, rabbit. What you talking about? Was. Oh, was shit he talking about? Like, girl, we covered.
No. Oh my god.
I won't tell you then.
I mean, the market's moving sideways, but I think I mean we may come and sweep me. I don't know.
I think it's making higher lows.
It is making higher lows. That is
look at
true.
The lows. Look at the lows at the bottom. Every time we come down to the lows, we go higher. I don't think it's moving sideways. I think it's an uptrend. Yep, 705, 3309 on ES. They said it wasn't possible. They laughed at me when I said it. These wicks look good at the highs, though, man. They look really good. These wicks look really good at these highs, though. Let's see what happens inside of this 1050 or 1150 macro now. We're coming in this bitch sideways as hell. Sit inside, man. The VIX continues to drop to the floor too. Microsoft's still rallying.
These buyers are buying everything up.
This smoke, man. This fucking sucks. Bro, it's like you just bow out, bro. No, fuck that. I bow out, bro. I'm not changing the way I trade for this day. Nope. I just bow out, bro. If this shit don't pull back today, I'm gonna go make some spaghetti. I'm rooting for y'all too, man.
I want to see this. I mean, can we get instead of pulling back? It's like So instead of pulling back, we're just gonna consolidate here, and then we're gonna push higher.
They have no chill, bro. Like these motherfuckers are so fucking disrespectful, disrespectful ass fucking bulls. Look at these motherfuckers.
All right.
That's the thing. I came here with Barry's bullshit. What the fuck is wrong with you, Hobbs? Like, what the most? Tuna said, I know something wrong. Hobbs is Barry's. Oh, hell nah. We fucked. We definitely going up. We definitely going up. Wait, what came in and take your shorts first? You should have hated me. Let's just remember how this look. All right, wait. Hey, Valdez, let me ask you a question. Are you in short? Are you in short right now? We Justin? You in short, right? All right. So let me ask you a question. What's the difference between this consolidation that we're currently in and the consolidation we were in at 8:30 this morning? Okay. Yeah, that's what I thought. That's what I thought. That's all I wanted to know. Just ask yourself that question. Is there a difference between the consolidation that we're currently in and the consolidation that happened at 8:30 this morning? Is there a difference? If the answer is no, you're in the wrong direction. And if we take that high, these motherfuckers going back higher. I just want to see some aggressive sellers come into the market. That's it. That's all I want to see. It's like change character, do something. Other than that, I'm just convinced we're gonna go higher. Every time we come down to the low, we go back up. It's that simple. Yeah, everybody want to short the exactly. That's it.
No. The market ain't really pulling back.
Everybody want to get short instead of the market. Instead of longing the pullback, all of us keep saying, "Well, I'm in short. I'm in short." I'm like, "Well, the market is pulling back. It's not reversing." So instead of trying to short the pullback, how about get long on the pullback if you want to take a trade? Me, I'm not doing it because that's not in my repertoire. Like that's not something I want to do this high, right? But shorting this market, man, listen, something's got to change. You don't want to get short. If you just would have dumped it open, we would have been fine, bro. We'd have been fine. We'd have been fine. Now look at us. What's up, bro? CPI said, you better not fucking load this market, you motherfucker. You better not short this shit, you piece of shit. Justin, the way Justin said, he's reversed his position.
No, I have not reversed. I'm about to eat this loss. Nah, this loss is about to come get my ass.
Justin said, I have not reversed. I'm just taking it all in.
My God,
I'm out. I'll be back short if we sweep 6.
I'm out there. I'm done.
Bro, what?
Account closed.
Oh my God. All right. This could be a potential short opportunity. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens on the liquidity sweep.
I mean, we filled at the high too.
Liquidity sweep my ass. We're going to keep going. Bro, look at the 120 lots at the highs, bro. The people that saw CPI come down 0.1%, that's the people that are continuing to buy. They're like, nope, good enough. Good enough. Good enough for my blood. Yeah, bro. Just go long, just long the highs, bro. That's it. That's it. I know you're not. I know you're not. He said, Hobbs, I'm not joking. So he said, Hobbs, I'm not fucking joking. Like, this shit's not a game. This is not a game. All right, this is a good short opportunity here. This is a good short opportunity.
Yeah, I got insured in my other account, so we'll see what happens. I did switch accounts. I'm done with that account.
I'm still not sure this shit.
I'm not tilted.
This shit is go. I'm telling you, it's gonna do this shit all day, bro. Like until this motherfucker breaks a low, I'm not shorting this shit, bro. Stop it. Stop shorting the market. Stop shorting. Okay.
I got a really good entry.
Man,
I'm gonna get my short.
You're on your second account, so hopefully this works out. God damn. We're at the low again, but then another higher low. I'm gonna take a long this time. I'm gonna wait until if we hold this low, I'm gonna take a fucking long. I'm gonna fade all of these motherfuckers. I'm gonna fade all of these motherfuckers.
That's what we got.
591. Hello, 591. Fuck it. Yeah. I don't want no 519, bro. I want 591. That's where I want bonds. I mean, I guess it's better than shorting 474, 512, 570, 590, 605, 612. I mean, you know, we could short this thing all goddamn day. We could do that. You know what I mean? I'm not doing it, bro. I'm not doing it, bro. Yep. Market just keeps going up. Bro, I know motherfuckers upset right now. Bro, is it bad on Twitter?
Nah, normally CPI days, people YOLO CPI, so you see a lot of good things. You see a lot of people getting funded and whatnot. That's what I saw when I was scrolling the
sweep. I like the sweep, but again, we're not taking out lows, right? We keep sweeping the high, but we're not taking out lows. If you want to get short, or if you want to get long, look and see what happens at the lows. If you want to get short, look and see what happens at the highs. We're sweeping the high, but we're not taking the low. Right? So we're just ranging up. Will it can eventually break down? Possibly. Right? But yeah, I don't know. Let's see what ES is doing here. I like shorts at 612 because I think somebody's building a position to potentially reverse this damn thing at some point. All right, that is a higher low. Finally, a fucking higher low being put in. Let's see if it can continue. Because we're not taking out 605, which I like. Justin, what's your entry? 605?
No, it's 599.
Everybody's still in the trenches trying to get back. Everybody trying to get back to break even. Yep. Yep, that's exactly right. All right, Justin, here they come. Let's go, Justin. Print this shit. Yeah, there they go. There we go, Justin. Every time Justin accounts, you know it's time to get the right entry. Every time he switches his account, it's like, all right, now it's time to go short.
Switch my account, get a better entry.
Every time he switches his account, it's like, all right, now we can go short. He switched accounts, guys. We're good. Yeah.
Nah, I'm down 400 on that account. I'm down.
All right, now let's see if the shorts are actually here, or is this another repeat of the consolidation that just happened down here at the lows? Come on, man. Like, just come down, bro. Come down. Oh my God, they buying this shit back up.
Just don't sweep this low just to come back up.
Yo, this shit is hard to watch, y'all. I gotta admit. I'm really enjoying this. That's it. I just want to pull back. I'll go long. I'm not shorting this shit. I don't give a fuck. I'm Y'all can have these shorts. I hope that shit print for y'all, but I'm not. I'm waiting to go long. All we did again was sweep that low again at 581, and now everybody's like, no way, it's coming back up. This is the short. Okay, okay, all right. Look at this fucking candle, bro. Look at these fucking fools, bro. It's a fucking horrible idea. I won't say it's, no, I said I won't say it's a bad idea, but it's a fucking horrible idea. I was right. That motherfucking went crazy. That was funny. Hey, but have conviction in your shit, bro. I don't trust these motherfuckers. Let this bitch duck and come back to me, and I'll play the PM section when we go back up. If we go back up. Yeah, and then we get low at the wrong spot. All these swings should be getting taken out. Though. We should be taking out 572, 560. Y'all just keep shorting. I'm taking every liquidity. I know that's right. Hey, Justin and Valdez are determined to catch this short. I'm not participating in this shit whatsoever. I don't give a fuck. I'll put it in account if I have to.
I already did it.
Take $20. What are these motherfuckers gonna work out? $15.
The short gonna print at some point. At least
the short to a certain extent. I'll do something. It's all about making myself feel good. That's it. Oh, fuckers are funny, bro. Hey, listen, we're at 50% of this macro here at 11 o'clock, right? Or 12 o'clock Eastern. At 50%, we're trading down, right? We just swept the low of consolidation. We're not looking selly. Be very, very careful here. Just, just a heads up. Mm-hmm. Jonah, I think this is the only pullback. I might have to take this shit long. I think this might be the only pullback we get. I'm waiting to see what we do with these lows. I want more too, Jonah. I do, bro. I really do. You know what? I'm gonna be patient. I'm gonna wait. I want more, bro. Bro. If we can't even get past 571 though, bro, like this shit gone. We going to all-time highs. I think we're about to go back up. Yeah, I want them to win. Y'all deserve a win. All the times y'all try to short this shit. I think it's too long. I don't want it to be though. If it's the low, bro, I just gotta walk away. Like, come on, market. Come down a little further, bro. Come down a little further, man. All right, that looks like failure. Come on. Did I take the long? Fuck no. No. If this is the long, I'm not taking it here. No, we need to come down further. Come on, drop for my dogs, man. Drop for my dog. Drop for my dog. Drop for my dog.
Yeah, I need 50. Give me 50 points. I'll be so gone.
Oh, you about to get 50. If this thing drop, you're getting 50. Yeah, you getting 50, dog, for sure. Maybe. Probably.
Maybe even 60. Drop and give me 60. Give me something.
Kind of.
Oh my god.
Possible.
Nah, it looks like nope, I'm not liking what I'm seeing here on the tape. Let's see.
Oh man, we gonna drop. Oh no, yeah, it's time to go low.
I'm seeing potential. I'm seeing potential. Shut up.
Shut up. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, I'm not like what I'm seeing here for these shorts.
Looks exactly like what you told us to be careful for.
I know. That's why I'm watching this carefully.
We were at the low. You was like, what you don't want to see is
yeah, this is what you don't want to see. No. I'm not ignoring this at all. That's why I said I don't like what I'm seeing. That's why I said it. No, you don't ignore it. You see a red flag and you act appropriately. I see a red flag. I'm aware of it, but
this is bro. The market is trying so hard to sell off fucking 10
the market
points.
Looks like it's ready to come right back up.
Come on, sweep this low for my boys.
But I want to see us break all of this.
Just break the fucking low, bro. Like, relax. EF is already fucking flushing. What are you doing? Come on, NQ, go down. Bro, who you telling? We've been talking about this shit all week. Like, bro, these motherfuckers in totally different spots. It's totally different spots.
Yeah. Here we go. Here comes some selling. Here comes some strong selling.
Money, baby.
Yeah,
walk away, Justin. Walk away. Don't walk away.
Oh, I'm not selling this. I am not selling this.
I said, don't walk away. Don't walk away.
Don't walk away. Oh, no, I'm not.
It might come back up. Don't walk
Are you walking away? Next thing you know, you come back, you like,
like liquidated. It swept so fast, we weren't able to fill your order.
Oh, bro, that would be the worst. You
were so wrong that we weren't able to get you out. Like, what? Oh,
it's not looking good again.
This also does not look good.
No, it does not look good.
It's also.
I'm like, this does not look good. These, oh my god.
Yo, here they come, bro. Yeah, Jonah, we in, Jonah. I don't want to long down here. I feel like it's the thing that you're supposed to do. Yeah, it's a double bottom again, bro. Like, what the fuck? Yeah, I'm in, man. I'm fucking. We fucking rampant. To the sell side, yeah, I see it. I'm just looking for a quick scalp. I'm playing large size on these combine accounts at this point.
I have no faith in these motherfucking.
Stop taking them. Stop taking them. Which is very bad. That's very bad. He said that's actually really bullish. Yeah, you don't want that. Yo, look at this 15-minute candle now, bro. God. Oh, it did. It swept the previous low. That's why I said I'm taking this long. Again, it just seems too high, but fuck it. I mean, we got the exact same look we got this morning. The exact same look. The highs been laughing about 10 minutes straight. Bro, I'm laughing so hard because you got to laugh at the pain, bro. Don't short this market, says Mr. He's back. He said, don't short this market. That's what somebody says when they've been shorting the market all day. They come back from the depths. They be like, don't do it, bro. Don't do it, dog. Yeah, I did it once, man. I got my hand slapped in the cookie jar. I was like, nope, not happening. Not happening. What's good?
Now they're trying to protect. Oh my god.
Damn, he bought MNQ at 18,457. Let's go, bro. Good job. It keeps going sideways. It's gonna break my trend line going sideways. I know. I don't think it's coming down, guys. I think it's going back up. I think everybody is getting trapped. They're doing the same move. That's why I said I'm not looking for shorts. I'm just gonna long it if we sweep the low. We swept the low again. I got long and I'm up. And it's fast.
So fast. 3 candles. Oh my god.
Already up. I'm up 825. I'm in 3 minis. You know, I'm trying to get another combine funded. Fuck it. Like the fucking market's just gonna do this shit all day. Fuck it. When we sweep the low, go long. That's it. Like, fuck it. You're gonna keep doing this shit. You're gonna keep consolidating, taking the high, taking the low. Fine. Fuck it. I'll get long. Don't want to, but I will. It makes no sense, so it makes perfect sense. Like, what? Nothing else makes sense today. Like, The market is just not marketing, bro. Like on a regular day, Justin's trade would probably be fucking phenomenal, right? Today ain't fucking normal. Today, the market got a real reason to buy. They like, yeah, thanks. We'll take all of this shit. Yeah, Nvidia's not stopping. Microsoft isn't stopping. Apple's not stopping. Like everything's continuing to go higher. So I don't give a fuck what that tape says. The market telling me this shit going up. If we get above 605, this shit's going right back to fucking 661 and then all-time highs at 708. I think I'll be done with this account at that point. Thanks, bro. See if it works out here. Because if we don't break the high, this is just another liquidity sweep to come down lower.
Right, Valdez, let them know. No.
What did he say? No.
He said, stop shorting. No.
No. Won't stop shorting. No. About the 2 contracts right there on the pullback. Let's see what happens with the rest of them. But with the last one, secure something on the pullback. This is apex. You can't let this thing come back down too much. You'll be sorry. You'll be sorry. You'll shoot your eye out. Nice little pullback recovery. Buying the dip back up. Uh-oh. That looks like failure. 3 times at the highs, man. This thing has got to come down. All right, I'm going to cut the rest of the position here. I don't like it. I don't like the longs this high. These bulls, though, man. Oh, shit. Minute 15 left. Right? You know what I'm saying? They don't want to be all bully and shit. They just want to be like, man, give it a second, bro. Give it a second. Shut up. Go up now. When y'all was down there at the low squeezing me out, I was short. Y'all showed too. On the tape. 122.
No.
122.
122.
And they're adding.
If that was 1,000, I'd be like, yo.
No, it's 122.
Nah, it's 122. Yeah. We got 168 above that.
They're adding more liquidity. So either they're trying to get out of their sell positions or they're trying to buy more. Eddie, Eddie, please, Eddie, don't do that, man. You ain't joking. You're not joking. You're not kidding. You're not kidding. Yeah, Nah, some people definitely do that. I'm not trying to do that. That's because they're trying to be
not necessarily. You could both lose.
Still refusing to take that 605. That's the reason why I sold. The fact that we came all the way back up there from all of that aggressive buying and we still couldn't take the high. Yeah, that was a red flag. I had to get out of it.
I ain't had nothing.
I hate having no data. Can you note 612 on your chart, please? I have it noted. I actually have it on my chart, boy. We're looking at Justin's chart right now, but I have 612 on my chart right here.
What's 612?
I don't know how. It's supply.
Oh.
It's right here.
I mean, yeah, I got supply starting at 59 or 593.
Yeah, I know. I'm just saying he Yeah, so this is 612.75 right here. This is all right, brother. Take it easy, man. Yeah, that's the area he's talking about.
All right. It looks like we could be trying to put in a lower high here. We'll see.
More sideways trading, man. Still not breaking lows. Look how we're reacting to the lows. We just keep taking them out and we're recovering. I want this thing to drop so bad, but
me too. Me too.
Fuck me. Yeah. What?
Oh, they couldn't keep. Wow. They couldn't keep up.
Too many people.
They'll probably extend it. They're probably gonna extend it.
That's crazy.
You know how much money they made?
Bro, that's nuts, bro. That's nuts that they had to halt the purchase. These motherfuckers. Prop firm. That's fucking crazy, bro.
Yeah, they couldn't set them all up.
Fucking hilarious. Look at the stock VC. Look at
I just can't buy up here, but I think it looks like the market wants to go higher right here, but I don't know. My risk is managed.
He's bullish bias, but he switched his resistance 60 times up here, but he's up 7K on the day.
Jesus.
Oh, Emmett. I don't want to buy up here either, Emmett, but what other choice do we have? Either that or just walk away, you know? The market's not going down. This is like, you're not getting a pullback today. If you get a pullback, this bitch might pull back in the fucking, the only other time we could potentially get if we don't pull back for 1150, 1210, we're going higher, guys. We're not going lower. We're going to go higher. If we don't pull back inside of this macro, like, we're going to go higher. Period, point blank. In my opinion, right? Like, in my opinion, this is like one of the stronger, from what I've seen, one of the stronger macros. And if this thing can't reverse price, if price isn't trying to reverse inside of here, I don't know, man. I don't know. I don't know. I'm just glad that I've stopped trading. Mm-hmm. We've been rallying all day with no pullbacks. Why would we pull back now? Like, what's changed? Really, nothing's changed. Look at the 1 hour. We just keep going higher. I told y'all we were gonna get about three green candles on the 1 hour. We're on the third one right now, and it's 40 minutes left in it. So its job is to get back above the high at 605. So you guys are shorting massive strength on a macro trend. I did it once, and like I said, I'm over it. But if you look at any higher time frame, right, like, you're shorting probably the most aggressive uptrend of the month. So, granted, we're only 2 weeks in, but still, it's the most aggressive one that we've had. And eventually, you're going to be right. But is it worth putting out all these tokens to get to the point that you're correct? That's all. So I'd rather just scout for longs up here. If the shorts do come in, maybe they come in up around 612. I don't know. I got us going to 700 today, above all-time highs. That's what I think. That's what I think. And I think the reason why we're not pulling back is because the market's trying to break all-time highs right now. This motherfucker's on a mission. Let's take a look at the stock market here. Apple's at 190. Nvidia's still making new highs. Microsoft pulling back a little bit, but still at the high. Google pulling back nicely, potentially looking pretty bearish. ES has been unable to get above 53.15, and yeah, the rest of the market looks pretty bullish, or stagnant, I should say. That's crazy. They halted that shit. That's ridiculous.
What they halt?
You didn't hear any of that 250K conversation?
That I did hear that. I thought for a second when you said halt, I thought you were saying that they halted AMC or GameStop again. I was like, wait, what? They halted
this motherfucker is getting little to no volume right now. Like little to none.
Valdez, you still short?
Yo, what's up? No, I do not. Mm-mm. For the 250K? Nah, it's got the same rules as the PA in the 50K, right? But you still have to just the goal on Apex is just make it to pay out. Like their rules are the same as the combine. You just gotta make it to pay out. That's it. Pow is that's the way you actually say it. Make it to pow. Boyd wants to know where your entry is, Jay.
99.
99 is his entry. Boyd. Here's another bullish push toward the high. Let's see if it gets stuck at 605 again. Or are we coming for that liquidity up there?
It's like we're about to push. Yeah, this is my final trade. I'm not gonna try to short this again. I'm just gonna be done.
Thank God. It's just you're headed down a path, bro, that I know it sucks. I know because I've been there, bro. Like I know. But the best thing you can do is just stop looking at the market as a reversal or at supply and start looking at the market as a trend. And start saying, okay, what is the trend doing at the low and at the high? Every single short you've taken and Valdez has taken, nothing's changed in the trend. Nothing. You guys are taking the short anticipating something to change, right? That's not the same as taking a short because structure has changed. My short that I took, same thing. I anticipated the shift in character and we never got it. So every short you're taking right now, you're anticipating the market to do something. And if it doesn't, you're stuck holding the bag, you know what I mean? And because you want to be correct, you're continuing to put the trades on everywhere you go. I'm going to short because you don't want to get long. So if you don't want to get long, the best thing you can do is just walk away, bro. Like just let the market do this shit and be done with it. You know, just walk away because you're going to continuously be wrong and it's just going to fuck with your mentality, you know? And then the moment that you're correct, you're going to feel like you accomplished something. In reality, you just fed that habit of doing this, you know?
Yeah.
I feel like this is a situation where you could go to paper trade and be like, okay, let me just fucking get this shit out of my system and show myself that I'm incorrect. I'm not putting risk on it. Like I'm not longing the market way the fuck up here, and I'm not shorting the market up here because the market don't look like it want to go short. Nothing's changed. Boom, 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 boom. 11:26. We still ain't fucking moved. All right, guys. You asked us because we formed a range. His entry valid as it is in the. I don't think he's got an invalid entry. I think you misunderstood what I said. This is Justin's fourth entry trying to short the market. I don't care where his entry is. It doesn't matter where your entry is if you're wrong, right? Like it doesn't matter. He could get the absolute high. If the market's gonna continue to push higher, what difference does that make? Like it doesn't matter.
All right.
My point is that he's continuing to short the market against a very aggressive trend. And the market has yet to change character, right? Like it doesn't matter where his entry is. Unless he's looking to scalp and get out. 99 was good, but it was only good for 10 points, maybe 20.
Yeah, I was up. I think I was up maybe about 20 points.
The problem, the other problem is, the problem is the tilt. If you look at the tilt, and I think Valdez said it. Valdez 100% right. When everybody's trying to short the market, it's not going to end up working out. And when I see more shorts than longs, it's a bad sign.
It's a bad sign. When everybody's up here looking to get short in supply, because 90% of people, 80%, 50%, regardless of if you trade ICT, supply and demand, support and resistance, 100% of people have this area marked as supply or resistance or premium price. So what you think the market's going to do, right? On a day where we're this bullish, you have to ignore all of that shit. Who gives a fuck if it's premium? If it can continue to go higher, the market doesn't care if it's premium. The market has an unlimited supply of money, and its job is to facilitate price until it runs out of buyers. And it's not running out of buyers, so it doesn't care about your supplies. It doesn't care about your resistance. Look at this shit. This shit's sinking, right? Like, because it doesn't care. Like, that's not the market's job to go short at supply. It doesn't care to do that, right? And I think a lot of times we fall in love, or I shouldn't say fall in love, because I feel like that sounds like disrespect. What I should say is a lot of times we get so engulfed in our strategy that we forget to just read what the market is doing, right? Show me the area on this chart where the market reversed character. It hasn't happened. So if you continuously short the market, you should be shorting, but you should be shorting for only scalps, right? You should not be anticipating a huge reversal until the market's shown you that it wants to reverse, right? Now here's 612. Most people are going to look to short up here as well, right? And what is the market doing? It's creating the same shit. Not saying that this won't be the reversal. I'm just saying right now, the market looks like it wants to go right back into consolidation, trap some more sellers, and go higher. Because everywhere you look where the market's trying to reverse, we just keep going higher because it's easy. It's the path of least resistance. It's easy. And as long as the stocks are agreeing with that, as long as the VIX is agreeing with that, I'm not fucking with these shorts. I'm not doing it. I'm just gonna walk away and go hang out with my wife, go make some fucking chicken parm, right? Early for when the kids get home. Right? I'm not fucking doing it, man. I'm not doing it. I've been there, done that. I already know where this goes. Looks like I should have held on my damn long though. That's for damn sure. But yeah. Anyway, guys, that's it from us from the shop, man. We got some stuff to discuss in the market review. But again, thank you, Haas, for the call in it 612. In it at 612. Okay. I mean, I think that's a good area, but I'm not interested in shorts until this market shows me it wants to change character, right? Trade what you see, not what you think. Exactly, because the market don't care. The market don't care about 612 either. Like, if it wants to push through 612, it's just going to push through 612. 612 is an imaginary area that we've drawn on the chart, and we've named it supply. We've named it premium. We've named it support. We named it resistance. That's it. But we got to see what price does at that area. If it's continuing to trade higher at that level, then it's not a short. It's just liquidity. That's it, right? And what is the famous saying? If you don't know where the liquidity is, you're probably it, right? So moral of the story today, don't be liquidity like myself and Justin were today. I was liquidity. I took the shorts too, and I missed the long, and now this bitch is up 200 points. So I'm gonna walk away, down $400, right? Up, $800 on another account or $900 on another account, right? But again, ultimately, I made mistakes today, right? So we got to talk about that. We got to review that, and we're going to get better at not doing that, right? Recognizing when the market is ready to rally and stop trying to be right and start being on the right side of price. That's the important part. It's not about being correct. It's about being on the correct side of price, right? So that being said, Justin, what you got? You got anything to talk about your day?
Yeah. Shitty day today. Sized up. Took a lot of L's, but that's all right though. I'll come back tomorrow. I definitely, man, it sucks. Like, I had the longs. I had them. I think
I really gotta go back and figure out what I want to do there, because whenever the market's in trend, it does not like to take those pullbacks. So that's the only thing that really sucks. I had the area, I had it marked out. I even called it out before we got there. I got everything I wanted to see. I just wanted to see the pullback, and sometimes that pullback kind of gets you in a little bit of trouble. So something I'm gonna be working on. And then yeah, I mean, it just sucks looking back at the day and knowing like if you just gotten that long, the rest of your day wouldn't have happened. You'd have been great. You'd have got funded. You'd have been good. You would have tried to shorten. You would have tried to shorten none of this shit, right? And then also, I think it kind of sucks that like we never really got a pullback back into the areas I was looking to long. Instead, the market just continued to rally.
That's
so I think that sucks as well. And then again, like I think Hobbs is right. When the market, when it's an obvious short area in the market, like where we were at is like an obvious thing where it's like, okay, everybody's probably thinking the same way. The market's rallied, 200 points, whatever. This is an area where the market should stop. And then it starts moving sideways and everybody's like, yeah, this is it. This is the short. We're moving sideways, right? And then the market finally gives you that dip only to go higher. It's like, damn, man, like it's just too obvious. And one thing that can help with that, I think, is using that tilt meter, because seeing that everybody was short at that time, now look, everybody's back to trying to get long again because the market's going long, right? So I just think, fading the obvious move, I think that was a little bit too obvious of a potential short, because we haven't really pulled back. Like the market has just been up. So just got to go back to the drawing board.
I think just don't worry about a tilt. Don't worry about an indicator. Just worry about following structure, right? Like once we fail to make new lows, bro, we just gotta recognize that and say, all right, I know we're high, but we're in. Look at the daily, look at the weekly. We're in an aggressive uptrend, so maybe we're not too high. I mean, just look back on this before we go. I want to talk about this real quick. Like let's just look back on the day real quick, right? Like let's talk about this real quick, right? Now remember this morning, right? What were we all saying? Right? What were we all saying? We said, I want to get long, right? Hold on. I want to get long, but I'm not longing up here, right? I'm not longing way up here. Remember, that was at 480. No fucking way I'm getting long up here. At 480, we were saying that, right? Fast forward the day, and the market is at 620. So does this feel high now? It doesn't. So stop telling yourself, right? And this goes for myself, Justin, and everybody that's around us, right? Stop fucking telling yourself something's too high, something's too low, and start asking yourself, what are we doing at the low? What are we doing at the high? If I want to get short, are we rejecting the high? If I want to get long, are we bouncing off the low? Right? And once you just get that, it doesn't matter where we are in price. Look to participate in what the order flow is offering you, right? Manage your risk, and then you should be on the right side of the market. That's it. Today, we forced ourselves on the wrong side of the market because of our commitment to not getting long at the quote unquote high, right? It don't look so fucking high now, do it? Right? So that's something that I'm going to take away from today. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Good days, bad days, don't matter. We're going to show up every day. I appreciate you, Hobbs. Needed to hear that. Yeah, 100%, man. We're going to show up every single day, and we'll be back stronger tomorrow. Keep grinding. Stay blessed. If you're red, walk away from the market, man. You got beat today. Right? Today, I got my butt whooped today, right? I didn't blow an account. I didn't none of that shit. But I got my ass whooped from this market today, and I can accept that, right? But tonight, I'm going to put in a little overtime when the market's closed, right? To make sure that I'm prepared for days like this and anything the market has to offer me on the next day. That being said, thank you guys so much for tuning into the shop. That guy over there is Jay Seals. My name is T. Hobbs. This is the Trader Shop, and we'll catch you guys on the next one, man. Peace.